हमारा शूट था 1 बजे, आप उठे कितने बजे आज?
I'm damn hungover यार today. अरे भाई साहब डीजे वाले बाबू बस कर दिया, नागिन कर दिया, पानी पानी कर दिया.
These are all just hits after hits that you're naming, just so you know.
Proper Patola still is a banger.
I don't think I have come across any song of yours that I will not do well.
है वो याद नहीं आ रहा लेकिन
कभी आपको लगा ऐसा that you written a song and you're like, what the fuck did I just put out?
Call me a crazy lady. क्यों? इतने भी crazy नहीं है.
There's something called as a Paris syndrome, you know of it, no?
No.
Paris syndrome is basically when you hype something up so much in your head that you think, oh my god, it's so beautiful, and then when you get there, it's quite underwhelming.
I've never romanticized Paris as much because मतलब ताजमहल में reality check मिल गया था मुझे.
और क्या सुनते हो आप?
मम्मी की डांट, क्योंकि वो जैसे ही मेरा COD ऑन होता है मम्मी आती थी, ये कोई उम्र है गेम में खेलने की तुम्हारी, तो पहले फोन पे लगी रहती है, फिर अब तेरे को ये भी खेलना है, तो मैंने कही औरत नहीं खेलने देगी.
तो क्या खेलते हो आप?
लॉकडाउन में बैटल ग्राउंड PUBG ने जो हमारी जान बचाई है, क्योंकि फुल डे आई यूज्ड टू बी ऑन, आंखें जब तक लाल नहीं होती ना यूज्ड टू प्ले PUBG. आई गॉट बादशाह भी इनटू इट. मैंने लॉकडाउन में उनको बोला करो डाउनलोड, आ जाओ मैच.
बादशाह भाई आपके साथ PUBG खेलते थे?
PUBG खेलते थे मैं, बादशाह भैया, साहिल, रोज रात को रूम बना के हम लोग सारे.
उनका गेमर टैग क्या था?
बैड बॉय समथिंग ऐसे कुछ था.
और आपका?
अब मेरा पापा की बेटी है.
We have the very talented.
Oh.
नहीं है क्या talented?
Very talented. Okay, thank
मतलब
you.
है ना अब.
है.
So see, I'll tell you. Firstly, I'm a DJ myself.
Oh.
Fun fact.
Nice.
As a DJ, I have only one thing to say to you.
Okay. नहीं. समझ गई थी.
क्या
DJ
बोल
वाले
रहा था
बाबू
मैं?
मेरा गाना चला दो.
नहीं.
कि नहीं चलाऊंगा.
नहीं. I was saying thank you. Because all your songs are such bangers.
Ah, like that. Thank
Like
you.
the minute you go in a club,
Okay.
and if as a DJ you're lost ever, you don't know what to play, you don't know what the crowd wants, play one of your songs, and it just kills.
I know. Thank you.
Like literally every time. It's okay. There's no need to be humble. अब जो है वो है ना.
हाँ, it is
You
what
worked
it
hard
is.
for it. You have the songs out
Exactly.
there. But it's crazy. Like I realized, like, you know, last night I was just sitting there and I was like, bro, what is life? Like I play your songs whenever I'm lost, whenever I know where the crowd has to go. Like Bollywood वाला party शुरू करना है तो
Yeah.
you have to play a song by you.
100%.
And like the crowd will lose it. The minute they just hear the hook, they'll hear like one note and the crowd knows which song it is.
बहुत
But
मेहनत
it's
करी
too
है
good. Like
ये स्टेटमेंट बनवाने के लिए. No, I'm tired of making bangers now.
you're tired of making bangers. Too many are
I
in the
think I
bag.
need to
What?
give something else to people, like slow, soft, romantic numbers.
पर करना है वो.
I mean, why not? I want to explore a lot of sides of myself as well. क्योंकि मेरे को, I like, okay, party numbers is one thing. I go to anyone, they expect a party number
Yeah.
from me, which is good, but also can be a little like that, you know, sometimes because then people have not seen the other side of me,
Yeah.
and that there are other songs, other kind of music that I have worked on, but वो accept ही नहीं करी जनता.
Yeah. Like you've been typecast as this.
I know.
Party.
I know, yeah.
I don't even know what do we call this word. Like you're a hit maker.
इस चक्कर में मैं I end up partying so much.
I know exactly.
I have to
I
live
wanted
up
to
to
discuss
people's
that.
expectations.
I wanted to discuss that. हमारा शूट था 1 बजे. आप उठे कितने बजे आज?
I'm damn hungover यार today. Why do you think I'm not taking off the glasses?
These cyborg glasses are only for that reason.
Of course, ये लाइटें जो है ना मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे से.
I'm sorry. अगर मुझे पता रहता तो हम अंधेरे में कर लेते शूट. आप बस मुझे सवेरे मैसेज कर देते.
अरे यार,
कि
गलती हो
listen
गई.
bro, I
Next
drank too much last night. So where were you partying last night? क्या था?
At home only. So अभी हमने I just shot my next single that is coming up.
Okay.
Like 3 days back. तो मैंने काफी टाइम से ब्रेक ले रखा था पार्टी वार्टी से.
कितना टाइम हुआ था? काफी से.
Like 1.5 month. मेरे लिए बहुत है.
That is
वो.
a long time. No,
मेरे
even
लिए-
I'm like
yeah,
you.
I can't. I too
relate.
love party.
I relate.
So फिर मैंने like I was like तो हम shoot was very hectic. We got free at around 2 a.m.
This is
पूरा
last
सुबह-
night.
नहीं 2 दिन पहले.
ठीक. अच्छा 2 दिन से पार्टी चल रही है.
नहीं चल रही.
हाँ,
वही तो
ठीक
हुआ
है.
ना कि 2 बजे फ्री हुए और we were so exhausted. मैंने सोचा था आज तो पार्टी करेंगे. बट हमारी ऐसी वाट लगी शूट खत्म करके that all of us came home and we crashed.
Okay.
So वो पार्टी ड्यू चल रही थी. फिर अगले दिन मैं रिकॉर्डिंग में चली गई तो वहाँ पे फिर मैं फंस गई. मैंने कहा पार्टी नहीं हो पा रही. So yesterday I was cooking. I
Okay.
cooked mutton.
Oh wow.
Yeah, for my entire team. Everyone was at home. मैं कहा
How
चलो
many
आज
people were
wine
there?
wine हो जाए थोड़ी सी. हाँ? There
कितने
were
लोग
5
आए थे?
people. There were 5 people and like management and makeup artist and friends. So that kind of vibe. It was cozy, intimate scene, but fun. I cook mutton and sorry यार अगर मैं बीच में
कोई नहीं
glitch
यार.
करूँ ना just bear with me.
It's totally understandable. See if this. Why do you think I didn't schedule this recording on a Saturday morning or a Sunday morning? क्योंकि यही होता है.
मैंने तो वैसे
So
ही
you
कर
know.
दिया. Friday आज क्या है?
आज even I genuinely don't know what day it is. Thursday आज ठीक है.
हाँ ठीक है midweek
Close enough. Midweek is allowed. एक आध
Midweek,
दिन
हाँ.
चलता है.
सही है.
So then what did you all do last night? कितना क्या पिया?
Wine only.
Okay, only wine.
We finished 2 bottles of wine. Just the two of us. बाकी कोई
That's-
beer
yeah.
पी रहा था कोई
हाँ.
something else. So yeah,
So
2
you
bottle
enjoy-
काफी होते हैं यार.
2 bottle मतलब 1 bottle per head हुआ almost.
हाँ काफी होता है.
काफी होता है. अच्छा है. So what do you prefer drinking? What is like your go-to
I
दारू?
like everything.
कोई ऐसा preferred दारू नहीं है?
नहीं, I like everything.
Hmm.
Depends on the mood, vibe.
So you'll have like a beer
Scene
also
कितना लंबा खींचना
occasionally.
है.
कितना लंबा जाता है आपका सीन usually?
सुबह तक चलता है अगर चल रहा हो तो. कल तो हम फिर भी टाइम से सो गए.
कितने बजे? 6 बजे?
नहीं. I think 2:33ish.
That's very early.
Yeah.
Hmm.
सही है लेकिन.
मुझे लगा the way you said partied last night, I thought कि चला till.
नहीं यार. So I mixed one beer and that fucks up the whole thing.
Mixing is never a good
yeah,
idea.
yeah.
Once you start, you should stick to that.
Yeah.
Anyone who's watching this, learn if y'all are of legal drinking age. If you've not drank, because both of us are old enough, we both can consume
And handle.
and handle it also like professionals. The next day we will do our work.
We're
कर
professional
देंगे.
drinkers.
We are professional alcoholics. Sorry, mom, dad.
This
जो
is
कोई भी
gonna
देख
come
रहा
out really wrong. I did not say that.
Yeah, we are professionals, alcoholics.
No,
ऐसा.
no alcohol.
No alcoholics.
यार ये alcoholic word ही बड़ा हुआ
Word ही
है.
बहुत ही
Toxic है.
हाँ degrading है काफी.
हाँ.
What else? What is a positive spin that we can give to it?
We're professional party
Professional party goers.
party goers. Yes.
Yeah.
That's
We
a better
bring
term.
a life
yes,
to the
sir.
party. So you've always been a party animal.
I started I tried my first drink with my dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how old were you? Like बोल सकते हैं हम वो.
हाँ. When I almost finished my college, like last year of my college, I started.
हाँ तो 21 के आसपास.
हाँ, kind of.
And then after that you like
फिर धीरे धीरे मैंने कहा यार ये तो बढ़िया चीज है यार.
मजे
सारी
आ गए
टेंशन
इसके
वेंशन
साथ.
निकल गई. बढ़िया है ये. So
So
I party with my friends
Okay.
every weekend.
Every weekend.
Yeah.
It's a given.
Yeah.
And
Unless I have a shoot or something coming up.
Or shoot or a show or anything. So then it's kept
Friday
aside.
को मेरा फोन चालू हो जाता है बजने. क्या सीन है?
But दिल्ली वाला तो you still live in Delhi or you moved to Bombay?
I keep traveling.
Okay.
Like now I have
कोई नहीं. You have a
Now
house.
I have a base in Bombay too. Andheri West में.
ठीक है.
And but I keep traveling.
Which
Delhi,
city do
Bombay.
you prefer? Party के लिए.
Oh shit, that's a very good question. अभी तो फिलहाल बॉम्बे में तो सब बंद हो
सब
जा रहा
बंद
है
है,
यार 2
हाँ.
बजे तक. क्या है ये?
दो भी is like pushing it.
I know.
Most of them get done by like 1.
दिल्ली सीन में दिल्ली में तो ऐसे जाती हूँ मैं शेर की तरह की कोई टेंशन नहीं है. वहाँ पे सब जुगाड़ उगाड़ लगा के हमें पता है हमें कहाँ जाना है जहाँ VIP ट्रीटमेंट मिले.
जहाँ पर recognize हो, bouncers भेज दे.
नहीं रिकग्नाइज नहीं करता है ऐसे कोई भी. चिल करता है सब अपने ही जोन में होते हैं. बट या दिल्ली में थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट रहता है क्योंकि
So you prefer Delhi more.
हाँ अपनी गाड़ी ड्राइवर फ्रेंड्स अपने मतलब आई नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु ओन क्लब्स.
Okay.
So we go party with them.
Hmm.
Like I go out with Priyank. Priyank Sukhija is one of the big guys when it
Okay.
comes to Delhi
Night scene.
clubs and Delhi restaurants, bars. So yeah, he's very close to me. So we go. His wife, I travel like I go with my friends. सबको ले जाते हैं आज party करेंगे तो yeah that way.
और ये हफ्ते
All
में
my
एक दो
friends are
बार होता
married now. तो उनकी
Oh,
life
shit.
वैसे इतनी sad है.
Yeah, बेचारे they only have that one escape.
Yeah, that's me.
You're the escape, what?
I am the escape.
You're the only single friend?
I'm the only single friend now. Everyone's with kids and all. So
Oh my, they have kids and all
now
also.
2-3 people have kids and then 2-3 are
पर फिर
married.
बच्चों को छोड़ मतलब घर पे छोड़ के then you just tell them कि
हाँ,
okay बेटा आज
सुलाओ बच्चों को सुलाओ चलो आओ तो मैं पार्टी कराती हूँ.
you're not looking to take that life? Settle down?
पता नहीं यार.
Get married or anything?
I do think about it now since I've hit that age, whatever, like according to parents and everything. But ठीक है यार. Just for the sake of marrying, I can't just marry
there's
anyone.
no need to just marry anybody.
कोई मिलेगा ढंग का कर लेंगे, क्या दिक्कत है? इतना कौन सा heavy scene है?
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि you're opposed to it.
No, there's nothing.
But you're not also like for it.
Yeah.
अगर हुआ तो हुआ.
हाँ मतलब हो गया, चलते फिरते हो गया तो हो गया. मेरे को टेंशन नहीं लेनी है इस चीज की.
पर आपको कैसे टाइप के लड़के पसंद है? What is your type?
यार ऐसा मैंने कभी ऐसा टाइप ऐसा सोच के नहीं करा है.
कुछ तो होगा ना.
मैच हो जाए, वाइब क्लिक कर जाओ, और क्या चाहिए होता है?
कुछ तो होगा, like tall, short.
ओ भाई साहब.
कुछ तो रहता है, like
तो हर किसी को चाहिए ही होता है.
हाँ, tall तो सबको चाहिए.
But unfortunately मेरे को अब now when I think of it, I've dated only short guys.
Short kings.
आज सुबह ही मैं अपनी एक फ्रेंड से बात करती थी, कहते थे छोटे लड़के पसंद है क्या? पसंद तो नहीं है यार. फिर होता है कि घूम फिर के कोई नहीं मिल रहा, चलिए
छोटा वाला ही ले लेते हैं यार. See, these jokes are acceptable because even I'm short. So, ऐसा if anyone thinks of getting offended and they're like, how can you say this?
But honestly, for me,
Yeah.
I don't go with the looks of a person.
Oh, you're not like that.
Yeah, I'm not like that. मेरे को vibe match होनी चाहिए बस.
नहीं, I'm very shallow that way. मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए कि पहले looks, फिर उसके बाद let's see how this thing goes.
नहीं यार, मैंने ऐसा कभी आज तक करा नहीं है. हाँ, नहीं करा है.
नहीं किया है.
नहीं, looks मैंने कभी like that's secondary. अगर good looking हो तो मतलब that's like
an added point.
But मेरा like for me it's more like vibe match होनी चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से.
तो आपका टाइप बस वाइब मैच है.
Vibe match.
क्या यार, अभी मुझे लगा कुछ तो अच्छा आंसर दोगे आप.
नहीं यार, इसी में सब कुछ है. Vibe match
में ही सब. तो you only decide who fits that criteria. No one else can think also कि bro अगर मेरे पास chance है to hit on Asta, they'll still question
कुछ
themselves.
भी fuck up करो, नहीं ये vibe नहीं है मेरी.
Vibe नहीं है. Sorry यार, next time someone else maybe. But you've been in like a long-term relationship.
Yeah. I was in an 8-year long relationship. Abhi,
Oh, wow.
I just got out of it like last year.
Shit, 8 years is crazy, bro.
Yeah, so now I'm not in a mind space. मैंने कहा अरे fuck this, अभी जीने का है मुझे.
अभी party करेंगे.
अभी party करेगा भाई.
So even when you were with this guy, you were like partying a lot.
Yeah, then we used to go together because we had the same friend circle. No?
Okay.
So वो बहुत problem हुई थी initially.
Because you keep running into each other and all.
Yeah, फिर तभी इसलिए हमारा थोड़ा 1-2 साल ड्रैग हुआ. ये मैंने कभी आज तक बात करी नहीं इस बारे में.
करनी है.
ठीक है, अब तो हो गया.
कर सकते हैं.
तो 1-2 साल आखिरी का वो थोड़ा सा ड्रैग हुआ because things are not that great, but friend circle common था, so we were not able to
end it.
Yeah, end it. But
I feel every relationship has that.
eventually फिर हमारा हुआ जब, तो फिर अब क्या करें, बंटवारा करें दोस्तों का. No,
तो
right?
किया कि नहीं बंटवारा?
नहीं यार.
How do your friends react to it? But like उनको तो अभी सब पता है, तो
इनिशियली सबने बहुत जोड़ने की कोशिश करी, but then everyone was like ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा, जियो अपनी जिंदगी, just get out of it. क्योंकि वो भी तंग हो गए थे सारे.
Exactly.
2 साल तुमने है नहीं है करके हमारा दिमाग खराब कर दिया. निकलो इससे बाहर.
तो अब सबने everyone's put their foot down and they're like bro fuck it.
Yeah.
नहीं हो रहा है तो मत करो.
हाँ.
और हो रहा है तो करो.
Stretch it.
Yeah.
Stretch it.
Yeah, no, I asked this because like there are so many people who are in a long-term relationship, and then when it ends, it always happens like that, where you don't know how to end it immediately.
Yeah, it was a
So
gradual drift though.
Yeah.
It was.
So you feel like 6 years were good, or
5 years were good. Then 1 year, though, I was so busy that I did not have time for anything, and I did not even realize that we were drifting.
Okay.
And the last 2 years, I kept on saying, yeah, it's not working. I think हो गया, but ठीक है, मतलब अब हो गया.
तो वो थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो रहा था.
आगे पीछे हो रहा था, है नहीं है types.
So you're someone who puts work above a relationship?
Oh wow, work above, not really. But I mean, it goes hand in hand for me.
Okay.
Whatever it is. ठीक था नहीं?
हाँ, you try to balance it out.
Yeah. So it goes hand in hand for me because personal life भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Like I make sure that if I am busy, I'm working. But when I don't have work or whatever, if I have free time, I give that time to my family very religiously, and I give my time to my friends. उनके बच्चों के लिए भी मैं टाइम निकाल के जाती हूँ. Like it's that.
Oh wow, that's so sweet of you.
Yeah.
So you're more like you're a very family oriented
Yeah,
person.
100%, 100%. Cancerian.
सही है. Oh, मैं भी
Emotional.
कैंसरियन हूँ.
Ah,
कब है
oh,
आपका?
nice. 24 June.
Oh, मेरा 7th July. मतलब थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे.
आगे पीछे है थोड़ा सा.
That's crazy. Now we'll oh, so you're an astrology person, or what? You believe in
Kinda.
all of that?
Kind of, yeah.
What is your craziest thing that you believe in astrology? आप हर रोज उठ के horoscope पढ़ते हो and all of that.
No, ये था एक phase आया था बीच में
हाँ.
when I was doing it.
Hmm.
Like this is a नीलम that I'm wearing.
Okay.
It's a sapphire.
Mm-hmm.
और ये पहनने के बाद मैंने घर खरीदा है, गाड़ी खरीदी है. तो
दिखाओ
इसको
जरा.
नहीं- इसको नहीं उतारती मैं.
दिखाओ जरा sapphire.
I think
हमें
this
भी
ring is
पहनना
better
है.
than this ring.
That is true. As
So,
long as it's getting everything done.
Yeah, I know.
So did you like go to a Jyotish या फिर कोई
Not
astrologer?
really. But my dad was friends with an astrologer uncle, and he told that इसकी कुंडली में है कि इसको सफायर पहनाओ.
Hmm.
तो पहले इसको पहनते नहीं डायरेक्टली,
Hmm.
हाथ में रिस्ट पे बांध के ना हैंकी से उसको you just have to sleep with that tied on your wrist.
So like you put a stone, you tie it and then you sleep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to check if the stone is suiting you or no, because
What will happen
the
if it's
energies
not
of the
suiting
stone are very strong. Okay.
Okay.
My mom was holding it on the way, and she had like heaviness in her head.
you? Hmm.
So अगर ये किसी को सूट नहीं करता तो it could go wrong.
Hmm.
I mean आप बीमार पड़ सकते हो, एक्सीडेंट हो सकता
Patch
है.
test करना पड़ता है क्या इसका?
काइंड
हाँ.
ऑफ. तो मैं इसको पहन के सोई रही, उसमें मैं सपने आ रहे हैं मुझे, मैं बीच पे हूँ, मैं भाग रही हूँ, मम्मी भी है, एंड आई एम हैविंग दिस अमेजिंग
खुशहाली वाली सपने आ रहे हैं.
बनाओ रही बनाओ मुझे क्या है ये.
हाँ, तो कितना ये ट्रायल पीरियड कितना लंबा था, कितने दिनों का?
तो एक दिन का चेक, मैंने कहा एक दिन में इतने बढ़िया सपने आ गए, इसको पहनाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सो इट सूट्स मी दिस.
तो how long has it
sapphire.
been since you believe in not astrology, in these stones?
आफ्टर दिस वर्कड.
और कितना टाइम हुआ है?
आई वाज लाइक ये तो काम कर रही चीज है. आई वो दिस इन लॉकडाउन.
Okay. 4 साल हो गया.
4 साल.
So that is when like this uncle told कि sapphire is your stone.
Yeah.
और पहनो.
And this doesn't suit everyone, by the way.
Okay, this particular stone.
stone it doesn't suit everyone. So you really have to be like, you have to check before getting it made कि कर रहा है सूट की नहीं कर रहा है.
And what all changes has it brought apart from like the house and
Uh,
क्या yeah, let's see the positives of astrology with gemstones.
Okay, I can talk
बताओ.
about that.
हाँ जी, बताओ.
So after this, I think my solo career kind of revived, because उससे पहले I was a very like I was considered or treated as a byproduct of Badshah Bhai,
Okay.
because बहुत सारे गाने उनके साथ करे हैं.
Correct.
He actually got me in the scene and
Yeah.
he held my hand throughout. So ये बहुत एक सीरियस इशू था मेरी लाइफ का कि भाई साहब आस्था गिल नहीं है इस टाइम पे.
Yeah.
Just like Badshah's team Badshah, or ये बादशाह के गाने में देखा दीदी को
हाँ.
ऐसे वाला.
You were associated with Badshah
Very,
too much.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So ये मैंने I think ये मैंने एक पहले भी किसी एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था. It was a good thing, and it backfired also in
Okay.
certain ways for me. I'm not saying that whatever it was, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा controversial topic उठा था इस पे कि ये आस्था is ungrateful or whatever. I'm not ungrateful. I'm very grateful to Badshah Bhai for giving me the this
Yeah.
so much needed push in this career. But वो disassociation में बहुत time लगा.
Okay.
So ये अभी last 4 years I've just been working on that.
Okay.
And I think it kind of worked in my favor, and like people know me now more.
They know you as Astha Gill. Yeah.
Then I did खतरों के खिलाड़ी, so उससे भी मेरे को काफी push मिला था. Sorry about that. It's just Diet Coke.
Yeah, it's just the coke.
तो उससे काफी पुश मिला था खतरों के खिलाड़ी से. और उसके बाद पानी पानी रिलीज हुआ था. बट पानी पानी के बाद आई वाज अगेन एक्सपेक्टिंग कि पीपल वुड से बादशाह का गाना है, फीमेल सिंगर है, व्हाटएवर. बट नहीं, पानी पानी के बाद पीपल रियली लाइक अप्रिशिएटेड माय वर्क, एंड देयर वाज अ सेपरेट आइडेंटिटी आई कुड सेंस कि हाँ हो रहा है काम.
But you're also the dominant vocals on that song.
Hell yeah!
So yeah, of course. So then that's when you felt कि ये सब changes आने लगे.
Yeah. अभी भी वैसे 100% मुझे लगता है अभी भी है, कसम मेरे को चेक कराना पड़ेगा चाहिए सही चल रहा है कि नहीं.
क्या हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा कम हो रहा है क्या पावर?
चेक करना सही चल रहा है कि नहीं.
तो फिर और क्या हुआ उसके
क्योंकि
बाद? हाँ.
अभी भी a lot of people don't know so many hits that I've given, they don't
Yeah.
know. तो वो कहते कि अच्छा ये तो डीजे वाले बाबू वाली दीदी है, ऐसे मतलब ये वाला है पहचान,
वो वाले नाम से ही
हाँ.
पहचाना
सो अरे भाई साहब डीजे वाले बाबू बज कर दिया, नागिन कर दिया, पानी पानी कर दिया. क्यों was
These are
also big.
all, yeah, these are all just hits
Yeah.
after hits that you're naming, just so you know.
Yeah, I mean,
Like-
I know people don't
Yeah,
know.
like you can't say that this
Proper
is, you can't take
Patola
it.
still is
It's still a club hit.
yeah, it's still a banger.
That's what I'm telling you. When I play the song, the minute they hear that turn, everyone knows which song is coming. Like everyone loses it. So that's what, like with you, your songs are actually bangers, all of them.
Thank you.
I don't think I have come across any song of yours that I will feel will not do well.
है
है?
वो भी
उसके लिए क्रेडिट नहीं लेंगे हम.
वो पर याद नहीं आ रहा लेकिन
वो याद नहीं आ रहा. कभी आपको लगा ऐसा that you written a song and you're like, what the fuck did I just put out?
yeah.
कौन सा वाला है? कोई
Call
ऐसा
me
है?
a crazy lady. क्यों? इनने भी crazy नहीं है. But yeah.
Craziest thing I've done is drank wine till 3 in the morning.
नहीं नहीं. Oh, that's
है
very
उससे भी एक.
crazy.
Crazy वाला
I've
है.
done very crazy shits.
तो फिर ठीक है ना, तो call me a crazy lady चल जाएगा उस पे.
हाँ.
Once people know the context to it.
But everyone could not relate to it ना. सब लोग relate नहीं कर पाए उस चीज
Yeah.
से. अब बंदे थोड़ी गाएंगे call me a crazy lady,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, yeah. वो
So-
फिर again it gets
हाँ.
cut down to one
अब
gender.
नागिन पे बंदे कैसे जाते
हाँ,
फ्लो पे, I have
नागिन
seen
पे
that.
तो पागल हो जाते हैं लड़के.
Though it's a girl song.
It is a girl
Yeah,
song.
but बंदे पागल होते हुए देखे मैंने उस गाने पे.
Yeah.
Which is a good feeling. So अब हम ऐसे ही कुछ करना चाह रहे हैं जिससे बंदे भी पागल हुए.
But आपके सारे गाने पे तो like yeah, even though it may be female dominated, it's still
हाँ.
you feel, you know, boys open up.
Yeah.
The minute a boy is going and doing ऐसा you know कि भाई मचा दिया, ये गाने ने तो मचा दिया.
हाँ.
Like we've taken over the club with all
तो
of this.
बस वही गाने होते हैं जो बनने में टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि फीमेल वाले तो बन जाते हैं.
हाँ.
अभी सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल हमारे लिए फॉर ऑल द सिंगर्स आउट देयर, सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल ये है कि लिरिक राइटर नहीं मिलता है.
हाँ.
मतलब लाइक इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड द राइट लिरिक्स.
Correct.
इवन द राइटर्स ऐसा नहीं है बुरे लिरिसिस्ट हैं, अच्छे लिरिसिस्ट हैं, बट टू बी एबल टू यू नो portray your vibe in a song is very it's very difficult, bro. Like,
So you write your own songs or
I practice sitting with the lyricist in a
Okay.
room so that you know it's like a so it's an exercise basically. You sit with a lyricist and you tell him what exactly is your vibe, because हर lyricist को
Yeah.
आपकी vibe नहीं पता. अब वो कुछ वैसा गाना लिख दे कि you know जो नहीं समझ रहा है,
something you would never do.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो फिर उसका कोई point नहीं है. तो
So but what is like your process when you're making a song?
yeah.
Like you said, you sit down with the team, you have someone else also with whom you write. Like
Yeah.
you'll explain to them. You'll be
Yeah.
like, भाई ये मेरा vibe है. Vibe match होना चाहिए
हाँ,
उन लोग
हाँ,
के
हाँ.
साथ भी.
Right.
So what is your like your whole end-to-end process? Usually a beat comes to you,
I
or
first
how does it work?
sit and talk random shit with
Okay.
the guy so that he understands the person I am, because it's not very difficult to understand me.
Yeah.
One. अभी मिले ना.
Exactly. Yeah, very
अभी
chill.
मिले, yeah.
Yeah.
So first I make sure that you know we have a coffee, we just talk about random shit, and then I tell him कि एक तो मैं brief नहीं देती कभी भी गाने का कि मुझे ऐसा ही गाना चाहिए, you know, because then you are restricting someone's
Creativity.
creative process. So I just say make whatever. Let's make whatever comes in your head. But these are the strong points that I want to convey. You know, that I don't want to first it should be commercial, because तभी पैसा लगेगा उस पे.
That is true.
तभी लेवल पैसा लगाएगा
हाँ.
उसमें, वरना कोई फायदा नहीं है.
कोई
फिर तो
फायदा
मैं अपने
नहीं,
चैनल पे
correct.
वैसे अभी बहुत सारे ऐसे गाने हैं जो they're not like 100% commercial, but it's like something
It's
that I've
you.
it's me, something
Yeah.
that I felt good. तो मैं अब धीरे धीरे eventually I'm just waiting for my YouTube channel to grow a bit. Once it's slightly, you know,
Once it picks up properly.
yeah, then I will release some random songs. क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Something that's you.
Yeah, just audios.
Yeah. So right now you basically then you'll sit down with these guys and then you write songs.
Yeah.
Do you get a script that okay ये movie में at this point we want it, or how
I have
does it
never
work with
been a
you?
part of. I'm sorry to cut you. I've never been a part of a creative process for Bollywood.
Okay.
Yeah, this process usually is for my own singles that I do.
For you.
Because Bombay में भी यही सीन है ना कि प्रोड्यूसर ने गाना बनाया वो आपको कॉल करे, आपकी आवाज़ चाहिए, आप जाओ, आप डब करके आ जाओ.
Okay, so आप lyrics you won't write for that. Like you just
No,
go and
yeah.
sing it and come back.
Usually not.
Okay.
Unless you are working with your own team for a particular project, which अभी तक तो मैंने नहीं करा है.
Hmm.
अब now since I have kind of moved to Bombay, eventually I will start doing that as well.
Okay, so like I'm asking this from a very curiosity point of view. So even someone like a Badshah, whenever they make these songs, I'm not talking about Ekta Raja was his own project. So that I know probably he's sat down with his team, written the songs.
Yeah.
But when y'all make a club, like a song for a movie, like let's say, और अभी तो party शुरू ही है, does someone else write that and y'all just come and
No.
dub
That was
it
written
or-
by Badshah Bhaiya,
Okay.
and we recorded that song 2 years before the release of the song, and that song was literally in his dump.
He didn't want it out.
हाँ मतलब उन्होंने कहा but I was in Bombay. My dad was my dad is also a musician, so he used to live here in
Yeah.
Bombay, Oshiwara. So I was here only, and then he called me. He was like, "कल तेरी टिकट बुक करा रहा हूँ, कल बॉम्बे पहुँच, गाना करना है." उन्होंने मुझे नहीं बताया बॉलीवुड का है, किसका है, क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं. And I was like, मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ ब्रो, आ जाओ करते हैं. So कल अगले दिन उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया, and we went to the studio, and I'm recording अभी तो पार्टी, बस आज की रात है. And then I see Riya Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor walking in the studio. I was like, ब्रो बता तो
You
देते
never
ये.
told me.
मैं कुछ भी पहन के गई हुई थी, मतलब ऐसा अजीब सा कोई मैंने घाघरा सा डाला हुआ था, पता नहीं क्यों. I was probably in that phase where I wanted to like experiment with my outfits. So I was just wearing like a Nehru jacket with like as a A-line skirt, which is not my vibe by the way anymore. And I see,
पर इसको भी तो 10 साल हुए.
but they're like fashion icons. They walk
Yeah.
of our country. They're walking in the.
Most of them have walked in all tip top, like well dressed.
नहीं वो भी chill थे.
हाँ.
That's when I got to know कि बॉम्बे में ये culture है,
हाँ.
टी-शर्ट वैसे कहीं भी पहुंच जाओ ऐसे chill है.
Hmm.
So I love that about Bombay. मैं शर्ट डाल के आ गया आज.
वो तो हाँ नहीं, but it's a nice looking shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From chota to tota. But yeah, so that happened. अब उतार सकते हैं.
हो
ठीक
जाएगा
लग रही हूँ
adapt.
Yeah.
हाँ तो ये हुआ and then I was recording and फिर मुझे बादशाह मैंने बताया that Disney की पहली मूवी बन रही है खूबसूरत बॉलीवुड में and you just sang a song for that movie and that song became a rage.
Yeah, it is a
उस
huge
गाने के बिना पार्टी नहीं खत्म होती है ना शुरू होती है. वाओ बड़ा वाओ हो गया मेरे साथ. I was like wow.
I have a very funny story with that song.
Really?
So there was this one time when we were playing it at a club, and so like this club usually they don't play Bollywood as such.
Yeah.
And this was around a year and a half or so ago, and we were playing like all this fucking crazy Skrillex and all बज रहा था. फिर मैं बोला चल यार थोड़ा मस्ती कर लेते हैं आज. Fuck it, let's switch the vibe to Bollywood for a bit, because you read off the crowd. You know that the
Yeah.
crowd wants something else. They want a
Yeah.
break from what they were listening to. So I like played this song and it just started, okay. And then it was like me and another guy, like Amin also, who's
Yeah,
both of us are
yeah.
DJs. So we were just standing there, and then we just started this song, and there was someone on stage who came on stage,
Oh.
and like he slapped our cheek, like ऐसा जोर से नहीं, like ऐसा हल्के से tap किया था. हम लोग ऊपर देखे. So we thought कि we're too loud, like we're playing Bollywood in the club, so they don't like it. क्योंकि some clubs have that thing. So we thought we have to change the song. So we just did this, and again we went back to searching the next song. वापस उसने मारा like थोड़ा जोर से. मैंने ऊपर देखा, बोला बंद कर म्यूजिक. मैंने बोला यार क्या हो क्या गया, ये पुणे में है, like
Okay.
this happening in Delhi is understandable where someone gets angry with you. In Pune, Delhi is a little violent that way.
I would not
From
deny.
what I've heard. Yeah. And then I'm just like, तो हम बोले क्या हो क्या रहा है यार? And then this guy has worn like a jacket and he just like unzips it and he's a cop. So he's like बंद कर. Like in Marathi he says, he's like switch it off or I'll take you all to the jail right now.
Oh fuck.
Because they had come in and this song has just started. सब लोग चिल्ला रहे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू. जल्दी से सारे faders नीचे, pen drives out. हम दोनों भागे उधर से. Because there was, and the irony is that we played that song and that's when the cops came. And everyone is losing it and no one understood also.
खत्म करानी थी पार्टी.
Perfect hook पे भी pull the fader down, सब गा रहे और ये सब लोग देख रहे हैं गाना क्यों नहीं वापस शुरू हुआ है? And suddenly both of us are gone. There are cops on things saying चलो निकलो अभी.
पार्टी शुरू ही पे खत्म हो गई
पार्टी शुरू ही नहीं हुई तब तक खत्म भी हो गई थी. This was just like 20 minutes into it.
Fuck. But that's see
That's
Bombay, Pune. I think अभी पार्टी का थोड़ा सीन ऑफ हो रखा है ना?
अब ऑफ हो चुका है. Otherwise, Pune was a very nice
Because
party
the other day we
place.
went to Bastion, बोले 4 बजे तक चलेगा. हम अभी फॉर्म में आ ही रहे थे.
और
पार्टी बंद हो गई.
कौन सा वाला बैच? At the top or
At the
this?
top.
Yeah.
फिर वो बोले अभी कहाँ जाए. फिर कोईशी गए सारे. फिर वहाँ पे भी हम पहुंचे, पार्टी खत्म हो गई.
मुंबई में अभी वही हो रहा है, like
Yeah.
since that incident in Pune.
I was like दिल्ली आओ, तुम्हें पार्टी कराते हैं.
दिल्ली तो अभी I was just there for a show like recently,
Okay.
around 2 weeks ago. We partied till like 5, I think, 5:30.
कार्डियो डोना गए थे बाद में.
We were playing at this place, Buen, which is above Boca.
Oh, yes,
और फिर उसके बाद डॉन आ गए हम.
Awesome. Donna
And
is open
Donna
till 6 now.
Yeah,
6,
it's
7
open,
also
which is
sometimes.
crazy.
It's crazy.
Because I love it.
People put out stories, sunrise देख रहे हैं.
Sunrise
Donna
हो रहा
बैठ के.
है. मैं वही बोला, like I said, we both love partying. तो I
Yeah.
know you and I will get each other's point. कि भाई चल रहा है यार, रात भर चल रहा है पार्टी.
रात को लेट के लिए डोना ही है.
Exactly. That's the only venue.
Yeah. There is
What are the best places in Delhi to go clubbing?
there's a recently opened place. It's called Thanks and Beyond. It's
Okay.
a Nehru place जहाँ पे flying saucer था ना पहले.
नहीं, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं पता.
Crazy. Oh fuck, it's crazy, it's crazy. वहाँ the interiors are such, आपको लगता ही नहीं है कि आप दिल्ली में बैठ के पार्टी कर रहे हो. And again, that's owned by Priyank Bhaiya.
Okay. इसलिए आपने shout out दिया क्या?
Not really.
Okay, it's really a nice. Thanks and beyond.
Thanks and Beyond. But that's open till 4:30. 4:30.
Which are your go-to party places in
अभी
Delhi?
फिलहाल I'm going to that place only. Thanks and Beyond, क्योंकि वहाँ का म्यूजिक भी chill है.
क्या बजता है उधर?
वहाँ सब टेक्नो वेक्नो.
Hmm.
I like techno music.
Okay, you're a techno head.
थोड़ा थोड़ा. हाँ अच्छा है.
अच्छा है ना, like
अच्छा है.
you should listen to something apart from.
ऐसा करना होता है ना उसमें.
हाँ, बस ऐसे ही करते हैं सब. Glasses पहन के
I
बस
know.
ऐसे ही करना
This is
पड़ता है.
becoming viral now these
Yeah.
days.
करो आपका party zone. This is you at Thanks and Beyond, or?
Not really. I'm just running from one place to another. I'm a very chaotic party person. So मैं टिक के नहीं बैठ सकती एक जगह, मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है. तो पार्टी करना है तो मतलब मैं इधर से उधर भागते हुए मिलूंगी कहीं ना कहीं.
पर एक ही क्लब के अंदर.
ये है.
पर क्यों?
Like I dance in one place and because I have a lot of friends in Delhi ना.
Okay.
तो usually ऐसा होता है कि एक टेबल पे कोई बैठा, दूसरे टेबल पे कोई बैठा, तो मैं इधर उधर स्विच करती रहती हूँ.
So you don't like sitting in one place and party?
Yeah.
You have too many friends, what, in Delhi?
हाँ, I have a lot of friends.
तो आप ऐसे कूदते रहते हो एक टेबल से दूसरे टेबल, शॉट्स पे शॉट्स, सब दारू पियो. मजा तो आता रहेगा, but like I love the vibe in Delhi. When you go to party over there, you feel like you're partying.
100%.
And the beautiful thing in Delhi is that when you go to get a drink, they don't ask you small or large. Like direct 60 ही आता है, like that's minimum.
60 ही आता है.
आपको पता है, like over here, like Mumbai, Pune, I've only partied in these cities. So whenever you go, they'll ask you, sir, small or large. So it's either 30 or a 60.
Oh fuck, you know. Sorry, I'm cutting you again. I went to Europe abhi recently, and we went to party in Barcelona. Me and my sister. हमने उनको लार्ज बोला. ओ भाई 90 या 120 ml का बना दो. चाय के ग्लास नहीं होता बड़ा, उतना भर के दिया. मैं कहा पागल है क्या, बंदा मार गया यहाँ पे. What the fuck is wrong with you?
सही तो है.
2 शॉट में बंदा गायब है.
तो शॉट थोड़ी ना पीना है, आराम से ड्रिंक पियो.
अब टकीला कौन आराम से ऐसे.
मैं टकीला आराम से ही पीता हूँ.
पानी के साथ ना.
सोडा.
हाँ. See that's doable. अभी नीट टकीला से कैसे.
नहीं वो तो.
It's very difficult, bro. Like,
unless it's cold, it's not doable.
So वो टकीला चाय के ग्लास में इतना बड़ा भर के दिया. मैंने कहा भाई पागल है क्या, इसको आधा कर. कह रहा that's a small then. I was like okay fine, give me a small one then.
Small is 60 for them.
But मेरे को small बोलते हुए ना मेरी आत्मा ऐसे होती है. I don't like.
वो ego पे आता है.
हाँ, I don't like calling for a small.
Yeah.
Like 30
Should say half a large. Next time बोल दे उसको.
Half a large.
बार्सिलोना में. Large कर और आधा कर. So you travel a lot, or do you travel often?
I love traveling, yeah. अभी तक ना क्या हो रहा था जब पैसे नहीं थे.
Stone के पहले.
Stone के पहले. So we used to travel a lot for shows and all. But क्या है कि गए हैं इतनी बड़ी यूरोप आए, बार्सिलोना भी गए थे हाँ एक बार शो के लिए. एक दिन में वापस. US गए, न्यूयॉर्क एक दिन, डैलस एक दिन. तो मतलब ऐसा हो रहा था. तो
पर ये किसके साथ कर रहे थे आप सारे?
A lot of shows I did with Bacha Bhai.
Okay.
Sharvi said the same thing, right?
Yeah.
I saw that. I was just watching that podcast while coming here because I met Sharvi maybe 2-3 days back. So she was very excited about this podcast.
Oh, she knew about it.
Yeah, I did a podcast.
Yeah.
My first podcast. आज तो देखो ना. ठीक है देखूंगी.
आप अभी उसको भेजो, आप देखो ना। सेम ही है सब।
So she was very excited.
Yeah.
She's a very excited,
Yeah,
over energetic.
she's very sweet, yeah.
Yeah, over energetic girl. तो वो आती है तो मुझे अपनी एनर्जी ऐसे थोड़ी देर में ऐसे मेडिटेट करना पड़ता है कि शार्वी आ रही है, बहुत एनर्जी लगने वाली है, शांत। वो बोलेगी
Yeah,
that's how she
is very energetic, like
oh wow,
she's very bubbly.
very
Yeah.
it's infectious, her energy.
That is true.
Yeah, I also become like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, I am gonna call her now after this.
उसके बाद कॉल करो. Go meet her now after this.
आज है एनर्जी मेरे पास शार्वी वाली. So yeah, that happened and
Yeah.
मैं कहाँ थी?
I asked you about traveling. You said that you used to travel tour
हाँ
with
तो
Bacha.
एक दिन दो दिन वाला ट्रैवल करा है बहुत ज़्यादा. So now I have made this pact with myself that every year I'll give myself one trip. अब
Okay.
कहाँ जाना है वो डिपेंड करता है. ये सोच के मैं बैठी थी. लास्ट ईयर मैंने 2 कर लिए.
नहीं अच्छा है ना.
But I like to travel.
Yeah.
मैंने
They're
लास्ट
all-
ईयर my first solo trip करा था.
Oh wow, कैसा था सोलो ट्रिप?
फन था.
मजे
was-
आते हैं क्या?
हाँ.
और कहाँ
तब-
पर गया आप?
अब इसमें भी प्रॉब्लम थी मेरे एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड को. ही हैड अ प्रॉब्लम विद दिस आल्सो कि सोलो ट्रिप पे मैं तो नहीं जान देता अगर सब ठीक होता हमारे बीच में. तो मैंने कहा ये कैसी बात है यार.
But
बट यू
आप-
थिंक it should be a problem, no, right?
No, if you're secure in your relationship, I don't think that should ever
100%.
be a problem. Because you're anyway going out alone.
But what do you think?
Within India.
हाँ, exactly.
तो क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है अगर आप सोलो ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो?
You're more aware of yourself. You're more conscious
Exactly.
about everything that you're doing. People don't go on solo trips and fuck around.
Yeah.
Period.
That's not the sole motive.
Yeah,
motive.
exactly.
One
Not
of
for
them.
me at least. Not
Yeah,
for me
not
at
for
least.
you.
एक तो मेरी आंखें बहुत शैतान है सब. नहीं, मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ.
But yeah, that happened and I am though going. So sorry, I got zoned out. हाँ, तो मैं गई. I went to again Europe. I love Europe. तो
कहाँ पर गया आप?
I went to Barcelona, Portugal. Paris. There was one more place. Oh shit. हाँ, Amsterdam. I started at Amsterdam. Then
No
I went
wonder
to
you
Paris.
forgot about it.
I went to Amsterdam, then Paris, then Lisbon, and then Barcelona.
Okay.
Yeah.
कैसा था?
And
How
then
long was this
Barcelona, I
trip of
ended
yours?
with Coldplay concert, so that
Oh,
was
that's
like
beautiful.
a vibe.
Alone you went for a Coldplay
No,
concert?
तो बादशाह भी आ गए यहाँ से.
हाँ.
Sahil is Bachabe's cousin, and he's also very close with
Yeah.
me. So हम लोग साथ में गए थे सारे Coldplay देखने, and it was so much fun. We literally had tears. भाई अब देख रहे हो मैं बादशाह भी अलग ही स्पिरिट्स में आए हैं. इंडिया का झंडा लेकर आए. वो इंडिया का झंडा ऐसे. It was such a good
Yeah.
feeling though. Like,
But you all must have been recognized by so many Indians over there, na?
हाँ, wait, not really यार, not really. It was chill only. But क्या ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं यार बाहर कॉन्सर्ट्स
Yeah.
यार.
I know.
यहाँ पे कितना chaotic रहता है लेकिन it was so smooth and you won't believe we literally saw 2 legends in one day. हम बैठे हैं पीछे से शोर आया मैं पीछे मुड़ी मैं कहा watch me Messi he was sitting right
Oh yeah.
he was sitting
Barcelona
right
में था.
there and I was like fuck Messi. पहले हमें लग रहा था कि हमें VIP सीट्स नहीं मिले लेकिन वही थी VIP सीट्स. वो हमें मेसी को देख के पता लग गया. बच्चे वगैरह VIP सीट्स है क्या? मैंने कहा हाँ VIP सीट्स है ब्रो. सब चेक हुआ है.
तो आपने पैसे वैसे भरे कि नहीं ये कॉन्सर्ट के?
We got the passes from Warner.
Okay, shout out.
Shout out to Jay sir. He got us Coldplay passes. Thank you sir.
Because VIP passes in Barcelona, Coldplay. आपको पता है कितना पैसा लगने वाला है उसके लिए?
बहुत लेकिन it was a very good experience. So we ended the trip with that.
And how many days was this trip of yours?
It was like a 10-day
That's
trip.
nice, yeah.
Two,
So
3 days in one place.
3 days in one city. What all did you do? Because I've never been on a solo trip. What do you do usually in a solo trip?
Nothing. I traveled. So solo रहा नहीं वो actually. क्योंकि एम्स्टर्डम में मेरी एक फ्रेंड रहती है. So I met her.
Okay.
So she took me around. And then Paris में मेरी फ्रेंड रहती नहीं थी लेकिन मेरी एक फ्रेंड है जिसकी एक फ्रेंड रहती थी. उसने बोला कि प्लीज़ देख लियो. उसको बोला. तो ये रिश्तेदारी में मैं उससे मिली and we vibed so much. So she took me around. Paris पूरा घुमाया उसने मुझे and it was amazing. I was just alone in Lisbon.
Okay.
And there I thought कुछ अलग करते हैं, कुछ crazy करते हैं. मैंने hostel book कर लिया अपने लिए.
हाँ. और कैसा था वो experience?
It was fine only, yeah. Because like I made new friends over there from different countries, different cultures, you know. So it was great. मैं अब चुल तो बहुत है ना मेरे में, मैंने बता दिया था सेलिब्रिटी इन इंडिया। नहीं बोलना चाहिए था।
Yeah.
वो कह रहे रियली ये वो,
तो
सो
सब
कह रहे
खुश।
व्हाट आर यू डूइंग हियर, आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नो आईडिया व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर इन द हॉस्टल, बिकॉज़ अब
Yeah.
फॉर एनी सेलिब्रिटी इट्स नॉट अ गुड
I
प्लेस टू
understand. Yeah, of course it's not.
पर मैंने कहा मेरे को करना है लाइफ में, मेरे को था कि
नहीं
मेरे
पर
को
सही
टिक
है
करना
वो,
है।
करना चाहिए.
I went. I was like, देखी जाएगी, करते हैं कुछ crazy. So 2 days I was in Lisbon. Then there was a work this music camp
Okay.
जो हमने एक बार किया था बहुत पहले सोनी म्यूजिक के साथ. तो वहाँ पे एक पोर्चुगीज प्रोड्यूसर आए थे जिनके साथ हमने काम किया था. So I contacted him. I was like, गाना बनाएंगे? I went to the studio to make a song. मैं अपने मैनेजर को बोल रही हूँ, ब्रो छुट्टी में भी काम कर रहा होगा भाई. But yeah, that was a good feeling. Then I did a studio session in Amsterdam also. I went for a music festival and we met these amazing DJ producers. So my friend is also a rapper, जो मेरे को Amsterdam घुमा रही थी. Rapper singer. So we contacted them and they were like, yeah, let's do it.
तो आपने बनाया गाना उनके
हाँ,
साथ?
so
कौन
we
सा
went in
वाला?
for a session. अभी रिलीज नहीं हुआ वो, अभी वो गाना
बात कर
होल्ड
सकते
पे
हैं उसके
लगा
बारे
है.
में?
मतलब होल्ड पे पड़ा हुआ है गाना वो, मतलब बात करके क्या करेंगे.
हाँ, कोई नहीं फिर.
मतलब it was a nice song though, it's a
Okay.
banger. So it was fun. Explore करा जगह. Paris में one day I was alone, so I just went for a walk. फिर वहाँ
Eiffel Tower
Eiffel
सब
Tower के
देख
साइड
लिया.
में बैठ के मैंने वहाँ पिज्जा और एक ग्लास वाइन ऐसे.
Is Paris as rated as people say, or is it overrated?
I also liked it.
Because there's something called as a Paris syndrome. You know of it, no?
No.
So the Paris syndrome is basically when you hype something up so much in your head that you think, oh my god, it's so beautiful, and then when you get there, it's quite underwhelming.
Oh, like that.
So that's what happens with Paris. So people have this crazy notion of Paris in their head, where everyone's romanticized the city already in their head.
I've
So
never
when they
done
go
that.
there,
So for me it was fine only.
so for you it was fine.
I've never romanticized Paris as much because मतलब
नहीं movies में दिखते हैं.
ताजमहल में रियलिटी चेक मिल गया था मुझे. तो मैंने कहा ये तो डालना ही नहीं है मेरे को अपने दिमाग में. I'll just go there to just see how people
The
are
city
there,
is.
just to explore the culture. It's very
Are
cultural.
French people rude? Because everyone says they're quite rude.
They are actually very rude. मेरा बहुत बेइज्जती भी हुई है, मैं बताना नहीं चाहती हूँ लेकिन
बताओ बता. यही तो है जो
Oh, shit,
PR
this was never
जो
supposed to
मैनेजर
come
ने बोला
out.
है. दूसरी चीजें बात करो. क्या आप भी हनी सिंह बादशाह के बारे में बात करते रहते हो?
बट या ये हुआ था. मैंने मैंने ना अपने मैनेजमेंट को भेजा एक अभी मैं अपनी सिस्टर के साथ जा रही थी ना, तो शी वांटेड टू गो टू पेरिस. मैंने कहा तू दोबारा ले जा रही मुझे, बट इट वाज फन. सो आई वांटेड टू टेक हर फॉर अब मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में आप taking your family to for
It's a big
Euro
thing.
trip is a big thing.
Yeah.
It still is big for me. So I was feeling that बड़ी
Sense
बहन
of
वाला
pride,
vibe,
हाँ.
yeah, कि मैं अपनी बहन को यूरोप घुमाऊंगी. तो मैंने बहुत सेक्सी सा एक Airbnb पसंद किया. मैंने कहा यार ये तो बहुत वहाँ का रेंट था 1 लाख पर डे. तो यार 1 लाख पर डे क्यों देना ना जबरदस्ती का, वैसे ही
तो.
इतना खर्चा हो गया पूरे ट्रिप में. मैंने कहा मैंने अपनी टीम से बात करी. मैंने कहा इनसे बात करो, कोई कोलैबोरेशन या कुछ होता होगा. सेलिब्रिटीज को मिल जाता है ना.
मिल जाता है.
मैंने कहा ऐसे रैंडम पूछ के देखने में क्या है. तो उसने कुछ तो बड़ा सा मैसेज डीएम करा, मेरे अकाउंट से डीएम करा, ब्लू टिक वाले अकाउंट से डीएम करा. तो मैं बता रही हूँ फ्रेंच लोग कितने रूड होते हैं. तो शी इज अ सेलिब्रिटी इन इंडिया, ये वो करके वगैरह वगैरह. शिट, आई कांट बिलीव आई एम टेलिंग दिस. दिस इज नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी आउट. ये मैंने अपने मैनेजर को नहीं देखने दिया, मैंने फटाफट जाके मैसेज डिलीट करा है. तो वो कह रहे कि उसके बाद हाय थैंक्स फॉर रीचिंग आउट, गुड टू हियर फ्रॉम यू एंड गुड टू हियर अबाउट योर सेलिब्रिटी आर्टिस्ट. इफ शी इज दैट बिग, this amount this is not a very big amount for her. If not, I'm really sorry. मैंने कहा, मैं जैसे अपने फोन में देखा, मैंने कहा भैंस की आँख खोलो, डिलीट. तूने वो मैसेज देखा जो है? कह रही नहीं मैंने नहीं देखा. मैंने कहा अच्छा नहीं देखना चाहिए था. So nobody knows ये क्या कटा है मेरा, but yeah this happened. तो मैंने कहा भाई कभी भी फेवर नहीं मांगना, मैं 1 लाख रुपए दे के जाएगी अगली बार इसी सेम जगह में. But yeah that happened. Yeah, very rude. ऐसे कौन लिखता है?
I mean,
हाँ फिर उसके बाद उसका मन नहीं भरा इतना बात लिखने में. उसके बाद
और लिखा.
हाँ, so stop begging for free stays. जब ये मैंने begging वाली लाइन बड़े गुस्सा,
वो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा था.
एक्स्ट्रा था यार, क्या जरूरत है, मना कर दो ना सीधा.
हाँ बस बोल दो कि नहीं, वी डोंट डू इट.
हाँ उसने बैग तो कुछ करा नहीं हुआ था हमने, तो जस्ट अ स्कोप फॉर कोलैबोरेशन लिखा था.
हाँ नहीं वो तो सही है.
इट्स अ डिसेंट वे ऑफ आस्किंग है.
Exactly.
इससे क्या डिसेंट होता है?
ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोला कि भाई प्लीज दे दो एक रूम.
मैंने कहा, फिर मैंने प्रेरणा को बोल के, मैंने कहा मैंने खर्चा करके जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, फेवर नहीं मांगेंगे किसी से.
नहीं सही है. Like I feel that was a little extra to
हाँ,
write that.
stop begging for free stays. अरे
Yeah. But maybe their English is not too good. Is what
no, they are
I
rude
would
only.
assume कि भाई उनको पता नहीं कि begging is like a derogatory term.
इस पे भी मेरा गड़बड़ हो गई थी एक जगह. वो ट्रैश को रबिश बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
तो एयरबीएनबी वाले ने मेरे को लिखा, सो गेट योर ट्रैश एंड
Rubbish.
थ्रो इट आउट
हाँ.
समथिंग, इट्स टाइम फॉर चेकआउट.
हम्म.
मैंने कहा कितना बदतमीज है. हाँ, गेट योर रबिश.
हम्म.
मैं कहा देख कितना बदतमीज है, रबिश लिख रहा है कि तुम अपना रबिश उठाओ और निकलो यहाँ से. मैं
ये तो
दूसरे
हमारी मम्मी
Airbnb
बोलती है हमको.
दूसरे एयरबीएनबी भी गई, वहाँ पे भी रबिश लिख रहा. मैंने कहा शायद साले बोलते ही रबिश है
हाँ
यार.
तो वही बोल रहा. Maybe the beg also is like they don't think it's derogatory.
So
They
probably.
might think it's asking.
Probably, yeah. Oh.
कोई नहीं.
That makes me feel better though.
Yeah.
अपनी शांति के लिए ऐसे ही सोच लेते हैं.
नहीं पर सही है. Like I feel that gap in communication
Right.
where you go to another country, you go to another place which doesn't speak English, आपको वो समझ में आता
Rude
है.
because of, but yeah, that was my Paris experience. So French people are rude.
Wow, but I'd heard about French people being rude, but
I gave
this
you two
is-
instances.
Yeah, this now we know
Yeah.
that if you're ever going to Europe, avoid France.
हाँ. And no favors, please.
No favors
favors
ever.
मत लेना, बेइज्जती कर देते हैं बड़ी गंदी. आप सेलिब्रिटी हो चाहे कोई हो.
आप सेलिब्रिटी हो तो पैसा दे के ले लो.
पैसा ले लो. हाँ, बैग मत करो स्टे के लिए फ्री.
Beg. Ask is what they meant. आज से आप वही बोलो. They said don't ask us to stay.
Ask us.
आपके लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा,
अब तो
आपको भी
निकल
अच्छा
गया.
रहेगा. ठीक है ना ये वाला पार्ट. जब भी आप बैग बोल रहे हो मैं आस्क डाल दूंगा उसके ऊपर. उधर एक एस्ट्रिक्स के साथ डाल देंगे
हाँ,
हम.
ये ठीक है.
But आपका favorite city कौन सा है to like usually when you go out traveling?
I
Which
love
is your-
Barcelona.
You love
This was
Barcelona?
my third time in Barcelona.
Hmm.
Third time. And I love the vibe of that place. I would love to settle in Barcelona someday.
Yeah.
I was on a hunt. मैंने कहा कोई तो दिख जाए. Barcelona Spanish लौंडा.
कर लेंगे हम.
Kidding. I'm usually.
करोगे पर आप would you want to settle down abroad? Would you want to find like a white boy, get married to him?
I don't know. I've never thought about it. नहीं यार.
देसी लौंडा ही चाहिए.
देसी चाहिए. फिर मैं बकचोदी किसका करूँगी?
ऐसे हिंदी में थोड़ी ना बात कर सकते हो आप.
Exactly. मेरे को ज़्यादा इंग्लिश बोलने में टेंशन हो जाती है.
अच्छा आपका go to language is Hindi.
हाँ, my think in Hindi.
Yeah, you think in Hindi so it's easier also.
Yeah, it's a very Delhi thing. though.
Yeah.
I have seen a lot of like Bombay people think in English, but Delhi people think in Hindi. That's what I
Maybe.
feel.
I think because obviously like मैं तो
Majority.
पुणे का हूँ तो
Ajay, you're from Pune. You think
Yeah.
in Hindi.
I think in English.
You think in English.
Yeah.
See.
Because it also has more to do with your upbringing. घर पे भी सब
Yeah,
English ही बात
सब
करते
हिंदी
थे
बोलते
तो
हैं ना मेरे घर पे.
हाँ I feel in North everyone speaks Hindi
Yeah.
comfortably.
Yeah.
And then if it's passed on generation to generation, suddenly breaking that doesn't make sense.
हाँ, मतलब English आती है. I know how to talk in English. I know
Yeah.
how to speak English, but I'm more comfortable in
You're
Hindi.
more comfortable in
Yeah.
Hindi. But Delhi वाला कैसा था? Like you are born and brought up in Delhi.
Yeah.
And then you moved to Chandigarh.
Gurgaon.
Gurgaon you moved to
Gurgaon.
Gurgaon.
Like I bought a place in Gurgaon
Okay.
in lockdown,
Hmm.
and as soon as the lockdown got over, we shifted, and I made my parents proud. I'm proud about it. I say that out loud all the time.
It is a matter of pride to buy
बहुत अच्छी
our own
फीलिंग है भाई.
place.
अगर आप अपने माँ बाप को घर दिला रहे हो ना, उसके बाद जो उनकी आंखों में, it's such a nice feeling. We then all four of us got drunk that day.
एक साथ.
पहले दिन पे घर घुस के.
वो तो सही है. वैसा ही तो
पापा
होना
ने
चाहिए.
अपना कोटा
inauguration.
पूरा कर लिया. मैं कह रहा इधर दे यार.
पापा क्या पीते
मैंने
हैं?
कहा मिक्सिंग गरम हो रही थी. क्या कर रहे हो?
और पापा क्या पीते हैं?
He is a whiskey lover.
Hmm.
Scotch.
I feel in the north everyone loves whiskey.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Like वो लार्ज बना के आइस के साथ बस और थोड़ा सा पानी.
सोडा डालते हैं वो. सोडा.
सोडा वाले.
सोडा पानी मिक्स.
और मम्मी क्या पीती है?
मम्मी anything that's tasty. She doesn't
Cocktail.
like
She's a
wine.
cocktail girl.
No.
No?
कहती, give me scotch.
Scotch
I got
कैसे
scotch.
tasty है?
आधे पैक में डाउन. कहती बड़े मजे आ रहे हैं, सब घूम रहे हैं.
बोलना चाहिए मम्मी आपकी बस की बात नहीं है. आप बियर पी लो आज.
बियर नहीं पीती वो. बियर वाइन नहीं. उनको विस्की या वोडका सही लगता है, या कॉकटेल.
सही है. So then you bought a house in Gurgaon.
Gurgaon, yeah.
And so now your parents live there.
Yeah.
And you also whenever you keep frequenting between.
I तो love living with the family. मेरे को अकेले रहने में कंटाल आता है. कंटाल सच में बॉम्बे लगी.
It is. Yeah. You're turning one. You're becoming one.
But yeah, अकेले रहने में मेरे को बहुत आफत आती है. So usually here also when I come, I come with my manager, so हम सब एक ही घर में रहते हैं. My makeup artist also stays with
तो
me.
इधर आपने एक घर रेंट पे लिया है.
हाँ.
Okay. So you have your whole team with you in
हाँ,
house.
पूरा दिन कुछ कुछ चलता रहता है. So I love कि पूरा दिन कुछ कुछ चलते रहने बकचोदी घर में.
But I was gonna say कि after moving to Mumbai, like you keep switching.
Yeah.
I saw some interviews in which you said you were very close to Raftar.
Yeah.
So do you chill with him now since he lives here?
he just got a dog, छोटू सा.
Oh wow, which
उसका
one?
नाम है Speedy.
Speedy.
Speedy मैंने कहा वाह रफ्तार का Speedy मजे आ गए.
अरे I didn't even think of that.
He's very cute, so I go there play
कौन
with
सा
him.
breed है वो?
It's a oh shit, it's a golden
Cocker Spaniel.
poodle.
Oh, golden poodle.
Golden poodle. Yeah.
There's no, I don't know which. I think I know what you're talking about.
It's a mix of golden retrieval and
yeah. छोटा वाला है ना वो.
हाँ
Hmm.
छोटू सा है अभी तो छोटू ही है but वो कहते हैं he's gonna grow big, like he's gonna get this big.
Oh wow.
Either that big or medium.
Remain this much.
हाँ कह रहे कुछ भी हो सकता है इसमें. So yeah, we're waiting. Let's see. And we have also worked on a song. It's gonna be out very soon. रफ्तार भाई के साथ एक गाना
इसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं?
हाँ why not?
बोलो फिर.
नहीं करना था क्या? मैक्स भाई से पूछूं? I still call him Max भाई, you know.
Yeah.
It's very difficult for me to call him रफ्तार. छोड़ो बात कर ही लेते हैं.
बात कर ही लो अब.
आ रहा है एक कुछ तो करा है हमने. अब देखो.
Wow.
Crazy.
क्या info दिया आपने? Crazy.
Plug.
But yeah, it's an amazing number. I think
Is it like
people are gonna love it. It's a
club
commercial
song,
commercial pop
song.
vibe. And I think we're shooting it in next 20 days. So
shooting the music video or
music video.
Hmm.
So yeah, I'm
बस
excited.
इतना ही डिटेल दे सकते हो आप.
इतना ही. But this will be our first ऐसा collaboration. Max भाई मेरा आज तक.
But your first ever song was also with him only, no?
That was again me, Bacha Bhaiya and Raftar Bhai, and it was Bollywood.
Okay, so y'all have never worked.
अरे छोरा छोरी पार्टी मेरे डुबचिक हो रही से. It was a Haryanvi song.
I know, I heard it.
छोरा छोरी on the floor. ये भी मेरे को ऐसे आया कि जब वो मुझे कॉलेज में मिले थे तो तब मैं वो फेज में थी जहाँ मैं अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में बात कर रही थी. भाई छोरे कित को जा रहा. You know, stuff like that. I was exploring languages. So he knew that I had a
Haryanvi
accent
going for you. Yeah.
So he was like, आजा हरियाणवी गाना कर रहे हैं. हरियाणवी गाना कर रहे हैं. I just went for a dub. And then next thing I know, it was released in a Bollywood.
It was released in a film.
I was like, oh, मजे आए party, bring it on.
So what else do you listen to? Do you consume Indian music a lot?
I consume a lot of music अलग टाइप का. तो मैं ये कभी क्वेश्चन का आंसर कर नहीं पाई ठीक से कि what's your like genre? Because I literally listen to anything and everything.
Okay.
And there are phases when I don't listen to anything. Because I need my palate to be.
You need a cleanser every now and then.
So yeah, अभी जैसे अभी currently I am
अब क्या फेस चल रहा है?
random, very random. हाँ. कभी नहीं भी करता तो अभी मैंने ना गलती कर दी. मैंने PlayStation ले आई यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में.
अरे सही है.
तो म्यूजिक नहीं सुन पा रहे.
उस पे भी आप म्यूजिक सुन सकते हो. Like you can
while playing the game.
Yeah, you can link your Spotify to it, and then you can play song. I think so. Yeah, na Ali.
While
Yes.
playing the game, you can listen to music.
Yeah. It has a Spotify app. You can download the
But
app
why
on
would someone do
PlayStation.
that?
Why not? कितना सही तो रहेगा यार. Imagine you're playing a driving game.
हाँ, in that it'll make
Then
sense. Yeah.
it makes sense for you to play like a nice fast.
You have
quick
that-
song. हाँ वो गाड़ी वाला.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं exactly?
I have
Steering.
No idea. What is it called? Ali?
It's just a steering wheel.
It's a steering wheel.
There's something like it is called.
It's called a Thrustmaster. This one that we have.
Thrustmaster.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sounds a little.
I need to get that. बकचोदी सारी चाहिए मुझे अपने
हाँ नहीं वो सब भी पैसा आने के बाद वैसे ही होता है. It's best to spend it on things that will make you happy.
I know, right?
सही
I know,
है.
yeah.
But then, so right now you're not in any music phase. क्योंकि मेरा अभी तो DHH वाला phase चल रहा है. Like I love desi hip hop and I'm mainly consuming
आज
that
सुबह मैं क्या सुन
media.
रही थी अभी ट्रिक्सिंग का एक नया गाना है. So yeah.
Nair?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful song.
I
आपको
loved
Trixing
it.
पता है?
हाँ.
Oh shit.
I
Trixing
loved
also used to live in this society.
अच्छा, he was also friends with
He and
this
Shaurya
guy,
used to live
हाँ,
together.
हाँ.
Sorry, I mean if we can name
Yeah,
drop.
yeah, yeah.
Because Trixing is actually a very good friend. So he
Oh,
had
nice.
sent me Nair like 4 months ago. Because
love
I was
that
supposed to
song.
perform it with him.
आज ही रिलीज हुआ है ना. मैंने सुबह ही
आज ही
लगाया
हुआ है.
क्योंकि
आज ही
मैं
हुआ है.
Spotify खोला, मेरे को ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन मैंने कहा खोल के देखे.
Yeah, नहीं बहुत. It's a very beautiful song.
That was
That's
the
not
first
even.
song I heard today.
Yeah.
So ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, बहुत रैंडम प्लेलिस्ट है. कभी ट्रिक सिंह सुनती हूँ, कभी करण औजला पे आ जाती हूँ बिल्कुल ही,
हाँ
कभी बिल्कुल ऐसा there's sometimes I'm just in Diljit phase, so I'll just go back and listen to his old music and yeah.
और कौन है आपके? Actually let's check our Spotify's because मैं तो ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ अभी. ठीक है चलो your September
Oh shit.
listen to 293 minutes, ज़्यादा नहीं तो मेरा भी वही है. उसमें से आपके टॉप आर्टिस्ट है AP.
वो क्योंकि अभी एल्बम आई है
अभी
ना,
एल्बम
हाँ.
आई है. चलो लेट्स सी योर टॉप 5 फॉर दिस मंथ.
हाँ.
क्या क्रेजी वैरायटी है ब्रो.
क्या है?
फर्स्ट इज AP,
ओके.
सेकंड इज संजय लीला बंसाली.
कल वन.
कल वाला है. थर्ड इज एवरीज एम्बिएंट. व्हाट इज एवरीज एम्बिएंट? एक हाथ गाना सुना रहेगा आपने उनका बस.
अरे नहीं, ये सोने के लिए लगाते ना मैं.
ओके सोने वाले गाने.
Ambient.
White noise,
Meditation music.
ambient music. Fourth is Pritam
Oh really?
and fifth is Saira.
This is so much fun.
You didn't know of this? Every month you can see your data.
How do I go back?
Wait, I'll show it to
Sound
you.
capsule. ये रहे
हाँ,
your
sound capsule.
Oh wow. AP.
What is your last month? I feel this month will be a little
Oh,
flawed.
Saira is featuring on the song.
Oh,
no,
on
that's how.
AP song.
That's how.
So last month का खोलते हैं. I think that'll be really cool.
I think we've unlocked a new segment.
Yeah, we should with artists at least. It's so much
Sound
fun to
capsule,
see
है ना?
what you listen to.
August 1006 minutes. Not bad.
Oh, मेरा 1139 है. Close.
Oh, nice. So this
we
month
should
is less.
compare.
है ना?
चलो let's open top artists.
Calvin Harris,
First what?
Karan Aujla,
Hmm.
Glorilla. ये मुझे ही नहीं पता Glorilla कौन है. Trick Singh, Diljit. Look. I told you ये 5
यही
artists.
आपके. मेरा top 5. सीधे मौत.
King.
सीधे मौत King.
Were you listening to the album?
As listen to the album. Fred again. Then Charlie XCX because she had also put out an album.
Yeah.
And Chase and Status because that's like DNB and all.
Oh.
Top
nice,
गाने.
yeah, this is fun.
और क्या सुनते हो आप?
मम्मी की डांट.
वो तो सब सुनते ही है.
क्योंकि वो जैसे ही मेरा COD ऑन होता है,
हम्म.
क्योंकि मैं फिर तब अपने आप को डिस्कनेक्ट कर देती हूँ दुनिया से.
Correct. आप तो where you have your gaming station here or even in?
No, I got it from Delhi to Bombay
Okay.
because वहाँ जैसे ही ऑन करो मम्मी आती थी. ये कोई उम्र है गेम में खेलने की तुम्हारी, stuff like that. तो पहले फोन पे लगी रहती है, फिर अब तेरे को ये भी खेलना है, तो मैंने कहा ये औरत नहीं खेलने देगी. I'll take this system to
Peacefully
Bombay.
I'll sit and play.
हाँ, यहाँ पे अब पीसफुली खेला जा सकता
तो क्या खेलते हो आप?
अभी अनचार्टेड डाउनलोड करी है हमने. मैं पहले नहीं खेला है कभी भी प्ले स्टेशन. Xbox खेला है और Xbox में भी फाइटिंग गेम्स मोस्टली. टेकन, व्हाट वाज दैट गेम?
Mortal Kombat?
नहीं, मॉर्टल कॉम्बैट भी खेला है. वो जो सुपर हीरोज वाला फाइटिंग गेम है.
सुपर हीरो.
Injustice.
Injustice. I like Injustice. I love Injustice. उसमें मैं हार्ले क्विन लेके सबके पेलती रहती हूँ. So that's fun. And रेसिंग गेम्स खेला है. NFS और ये सब. COD I used to play when I was working in advertising, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सारे क्रिएटर्स वाले प्रॉपर लैपटॉप पे सिस्टम पे अपना खेल रहे थे. तो मैं जाके जब भी फ्री टाइम था I used to be like मेरे को एक गेम खेलने दो.
एक बस.
Yeah. I've played Counter Strike.
Okay, a lot.
हाँ, जब उस टाइम LAN पे खेलते थे.
You have to go to a cafe.
No, one of my friends who's a tech guy, he used to live in my society where I was born and brought up.
Okay.
So उनके साथ खेलती थी मैं जाके. मैं कहा आओ जरा मैच. So he got me into this gaming shit. And then my brothers used to play Tekken, वो गेम पालम जाके.
गेम पालम. हाँ.
So proper वहाँ उस टाइम.
So you've always been surrounded by
Yeah.
gaming
Yeah.
or games.
Yeah.
सही है, but then I feel like ऐसा it's nothing like उम्र है कि नहीं है.
लॉकडाउन में बैटल ग्राउंड PUBG ने जो हमारी जान बचाई है, क्योंकि फुल डे आई यूज्ड टू बी ऑन. आंखें जब तक लाल नहीं होती ना, आई यूज्ड टू प्ले PUBG. आई गॉट
सपने भी आते रहेंगे ना आपको फिर.
हाँ, जेन्युइनली.
Yeah.
बंदे मेरे को छोटे छोटे बंदे दिखने लग गए थे इन रियल लाइफ. सही में भाग रहे थे दूर दूर तक. सो आई गॉट बादशाह भी इनटू दिस. मैंने लॉकडाउन में उनको बोला करो डाउनलोड, आ जाओ मैच.
बादशाह भाई आपके साथ PUBG खेलते थे?
PUBG खेलते थे मैं, बादशाह भैया, साहिल. रोज रात को रूम बना के हम लोग सारे. सो इट वाज सो.
उनका गेमर टैग क्या था? Must have been
बैड
something.
बॉय समथिंग ऐसे कुछ था.
Bad boy शाह.
बैड बॉय समथिंग ही था.
और आपका?
ओह, अब मेरा पापा की बेटी है. Because we have this papa gang, okay,
Yeah.
पूरा.
What is a papa gang? Who's?
So everyone's like पापा बचाओ, पापा मारो, पापा
Okay,
रंजीत,
हाँ.
पापा की बेटी,
Hmm.
stuff like that.
Papa Ranjit.
So So we have this Papa gang and we
हाँ.
meet every night. अभी group पे मैसेज आएगा पापा आओ.
Hmm.
आज सारे पापास. So my sister also joined for a very brief span. She was पापा की परी.
तो इसलिए यू और पापा की बेटी.
हाँ पापा की बेटी.
आप काफ़ी ये देखते हो? सॉरी, आप काफ़ी बॉलीवुड मूवीज भी देखते हो?
Yeah.
Like apart from Animal, which one is your other favorite movie?
Like that.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed Stree.
Stree.
Stree was good fun.
Are you saying it only because it has your song?
Maybe.
Plug.
Maybe. But that was a very good feeling when I saw my
Song in
that
the
song,
movie?
in
Yeah.
that movie.
Song in that song.
Song in that movie. पानी पी लेती हूँ.
पानी पी लो थोड़ा सा.
But yeah, it was a very good feeling.
Hmm.
I was like यार बढ़िया साउंड कर रहे हो. वो भी बाय चांस हुआ था मेरा कमरिया भी.
Hmm.
We got a call from Sachin Jigar sir and he was like गाना करना है. I went to the studio. They were not even in the studio. There was a recordist and I go within like they give me a sheet कि ये lyrics हैं ऐसा सा गाना है. तो सिलिबिली वाके ओपलम मैं गई मैं 15-20 मिनट में मैंने वो बोले हो गया. I was like fuck निकल गया गाना हाथ से शायद मैंने नहीं गाया ऐसे. मतलब I was 100% sure that मैंने नहीं सही deliver किया. But when the song released, I saw my name on it. I was like, "Fuck, yay!"
So you don't know till the end if the song is done.
Bollywood में तो it's very tricky.
How do they not pay all in advance? How does payments work in Bollywood?
I'm not saying anything, guys. मेरे को वैसे गाने नहीं मिलते Bollywood के फिर और भी चले जाएंगे जो आने होंगे. But yeah, there's not a lot of like they don't pay the singers as much unless you're probably Arijit Singh or a Sunidhi Chauhan, you know. That's what I feel. I don't know. बाकियों का scene मुझे नहीं पता है, but I don't think there's good money.
So they just give you all a flat fee for everything. They all don't get royalties.
Royalties are not for singers. They're only for lyrics.
Lyricists.
Yeah, lyricists and composers and producers. Not for singers.
Then how does that work? Because your singer's name is
तभी तो
what
हम गरीब रह
drives.
गए यार. एक्सेवन चलाते बोलते हैं गरीब.
Garib. So then these guys, so Bollywood will basically just, you'll be reached out by a composer or a producer saying, listen, we want your voice on this song.
Yeah.
You go, you record.
And a lot of times, a lot of producers here in Bombay, they ask four, five artists to sing on the same song.
Okay.
And then they pick the best voice. Which I feel is not
It's not
right.
done. Yeah, it's not
not right.
justified. And
So-
then you guys, so let's say like you and then like 3 more other artists have recorded one song, the same song. Then whoever they select, whichever vocals they feel suits the best, then they at least inform you कि हम आपके साथ गाना डाल रहे हैं कि नहीं. नहीं. Then when do you find out? Till the time it's not out to the public.
या एक दिन पहले
हाँ.
या उसी दिन पे रिलीज वाले डे पे.
So you have no.
मेरे को लिटरली कमरिया मैंने अपना ट्वीट देखा था कि आस्था गिल टैग हुई हुई है उसमें, तब मेरे को लगा कि ओह शिट इट्स आउट एंड इट्स मी वाओ.
So you're not a part of the mixing, mastering, nothing.
Nothing. Out of sight, out of mind.
So you go record, leave.
Yeah.
Then one day suddenly they'll be like, oh भाई मैंने use कर लिया
या
आपका.
किसी और की आवाज लगी हुई उस पे.
हाँ.
सेम गाने पे वो भी होता है.
Fuck, that's kind. I never knew this is how Bollywood worked because I thought in the industry they call you all and it'll be like suited to a particular person's voice
No.
and they make the payments accordingly or you know.
Everyone has a different process. Like Amal, I know personally, and like हम लोग बात कर रहे थे इस बारे में, तो उसने ही बोला कि that's why I don't make a lot of artists sing my song. मेरे को पहले ही पता होता मुझे कौन सा गाना किससे गवाना है, and then I just stick to it. कह रहा because I find it very unethical. कि
Yeah.
आप 2-3 सिंगर से गवाओ
Exactly.
and then release one voice. So Amal doesn't do it.
Hmm.
So there are people who don't do it.
Hmm.
And there are people who do it. ठोक के सीना ठोक के कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, but ठीक है, that's how it has been working since ages now. तो ठीक है, it's a process. हर किसी का अलग होता है. That's why we're lucky that we're born in this era where we have the opportunities lying like that, and we
Easily
अब तो
available.
social media पे चीजें hit हो जा रही है यार.
Hmm.
So you don't have to be 100%, you have to rely on Bollywood.
Okay.
basically to be famous.
Hmm.
So
Now you can even put out your own stuff and
हाँ तो मेरा तो start ही ऐसा हुआ है ना.
हाँ.
अपना
पर
काम
आपका
कर-
तो yours also started off with Bollywood, right?
Yeah, but it was never like Aastagil Bollywood.
Yeah.
अपनी जो पहचान मिलती है वो तो
Hmm.
like I've done Bollywood, yes, I've done 4-5 songs, 5-6.
10, 12.
I've done a couple of songs in Bollywood,
Hmm.
but I've done more non-film. So
Okay.
I feel that's a blessing to be able to.
Has it happened with you where you put out your song and then a movie is like selected it and they want to use it in it?
Not really, no.
Okay.
अभी तक नहीं हुआ.
पर आपका कौन सा फेवरेट गाना है आपका खुद का?
I like Buzz.
Hmm.
It's एक मेरा बहुत underrated बादशाह भैया के एल्बम में आता है एक गाना. It's called होश.
Okay.
बहुत underrated गाना काफी लोगों ने नहीं सुना है, but I really like that
Which
song.
album was this?
Album Retro Panda.
Okay.
It's a synth wave sound पे
Wow.
and very good song. इस नकली सी दुनिया में जरा सा भी अब मेरा मन ना लगे.
I hope we don't get a copyright for this. Because the voice is on point.
But it's a beautiful song. I really like that song. Underrated है थोड़ा. And I like Buzz. I like Nagin.
Hmm.
I like Pani Pani. I like all my songs.
You like all your songs. पर
Yeah.
Buzz आपका ऐसा top है.
हाँ, top. Because it's special for me ना.
Why is it so special to you?
It was my debut as a solo artist.
Hmm.
As a solo non-film pop icon. The vision that we had around it.
It met everything.
Kind of. थोड़ा.
Almost all boxes it ticked.
इंडिया में ना थोड़ा ट्रिकी है मेरे को ऐसा लगता है पॉप स्पेस को बड़ा दिखाना
Yeah.
स्पेशली फॉर अ फीमेल आर्टिस्ट
Hmm.
बिकॉज बंदे कूल लग सकते हैं ना गाड़ी वाड़ी में दिखा रहे हैं कर रहे हैं
लौंडिया वोंडिया है आजू बाजू.
हाँ लड़कियों के लिए इट्स वेरी लाइक बहुत डिफिकल्ट है
Yeah.
टू पोर्ट्रे दैट अब
Cool वाला element.
रियाना सच अ कूल आर्टिस्ट
Yeah.
वो क्या करते थे अपने वीडियोस में यार वो हम नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पर
Yeah.
मैं बज के शूट पे सो देयर वाज दिस क्लोज सीन विद प्रियांक एंड आई मेट हिम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन द सेट एंड आई वाज अ लिटिल लाइक दैट कि ओह पहली बार कैमरा फेस
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं ऐसे एंड वो कह रहा है कि जस्ट और मैं तो एब्स ही पहली बार देखे थे अपनी जिंदगी में लाइव मेरे को वाओ व्हाट इज
ऐसे दिखते हैं?
कह रहे टच देम मैंने कहा वाओ सो दैट वाज अ वेरी फन डे फॉर मी मैंने कहा ये तो मजे आ रहे हैं यार
और फिर उसके बाद गाना भी तो फट गया.
Yeah, गाना फट गया and I was supposed to like go very like sexy with
Sensual.
Priyank,
Yeah.
but a lot of scenes got
Cut.
cut because नहीं दिखा सकते.
Yeah. There
तो-
is. Yeah.
वो है थोड़ा अभी इंडिया में दिक्कत है
Hmm.
वो खुलने में दिमाग अभी लोगों का पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगा बट मैंने
थोड़ा
कहा कोई
तो
तो
time.
करे
Yeah.
कोई तो करे बट लेबल्स भी डर जाते हैं ना.
Hmm. They don't want to push that line.
हाँ.
But I feel even if you do something edgy, to say, as to say, it still gets
अभी करने वाले में कुछ एजी
करने वाला आप. I'm
अब
scared
नहीं
now.
तो कब
अब नहीं तो
अब
कब वही तो.
कल बॉयफ्रेंड बन गया उसने मना कर दिया नो बेबी नो नॉट गुड यू गो सो क्लोज
Don't touch his abs.
सो या
बस सही.
अभी कर दो फटाफट कोई नहीं
जल्दी से कर दो इसके पहले before you get into another relationship.
आई नो राइट
Before you find someone, आप जल्दी से.
फटाफट से गुलाबो गंध फैला दो ओके
But Q also was quite a big success.
या
It did pick up well. Yeah, it's a.
It didn't pick up that well. Why? Because it's again very like audience is not ready. I think for certain things. That's what I feel. And that era was like that time was stolen by AP sir, AP Dillo. तो वो बहुत सारे बड़े गाने उस टाइम पे आए थे बॉलीवुड के भी. So that
He actually was dominating all charts at that
all
point.
charts, yeah.
I feel like he had that wave where he came and
Yeah.
everything was like under him for a
So
bit.
कुछ भी रिलीज करना उस टाइम पे was not working.
Hmm.
So हर गाने का एक होता ना टाइम सही टाइम पे.
सही टाइम पे अगर
और फिर
वो
मुझे लगता है कुछ इसकी भी गलती है अब.
जाके रिचार्ज कर दो उसको.
इसको रिचार्ज करना
I think you got to remove it from it again, then tie it on your hand.
Oh, I haven't
recharge
taken this
it.
off.
You've never taken it off.
मेरे सारे वीडियो शूट्स में भी वो गोल्ड पहना रहे थे साथ में.
तो आप उल्टा
कर
करते हो.
देते हैं इसको ऐसे.
तो it's been how long since you've always had it on you?
जब पहना था 2020 में डाला था आई थिंक.
तो 4 साल से you haven't even removed it to like wash your hand.
वैक्सिंग भी ऐसे होती थी.
भाई अटक जाएगा वो. Don't you feel it'll get stuck if
I
you
think
have
it's
like
stuck now, but let's see.
you've never tried removing it?
No, oh shit, it's stuck. कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा है.
पर रिचार्ज भी तो करना है उसे.
हाँ फिर तो दे के न्यू बनवाओगे ना.
Why? I think maybe the stone itself is lucky. या फिर इसको गले में पहन लो, चेंज कर लो इसका लोकेशन.
Oh yeah, वो गले वाला तो पक्का घुमा दूंगी. ये तो फिर टिक जाएगा मेरे को. So I don't put a lot of jewelry.
Okay.
So हमेशा मतलब
But
lose my shit.
you're quite into fashion.
Yeah,
You're like,
I love fashion.
yeah, so how does that work where you don't like accessorizing but you like fashion?
देख कुछ एक स्टेटमेंट रहेगा, then I sometimes do this. तो इससे कवर हो जाता है वो.
What is your favorite fashion piece? Like,
Sunglasses and gloves. I love wearing gloves.
you love wearing gloves
Yeah.
in this heat.
नहीं, like on the shows.
Okay.
Yeah, like for my shows, I make it like a statement कि gloves तो पहनने ही है.
Mm.
तो like whatever pictures I show you of my shows,
They'll always have gloves.
they'll always have gloves. अगर gloves नहीं होता तो फिर ring पहनने की टेंशन लगी रहती है.
Gloves तो मतलब I think it
Mostly
covers a
gloves
lot.
होते हैं.
Mm.
कभी-कभी नहीं भी होते हैं. People have actually started talking about it now.
What, your
on
gloves?
my comments. हाँ.
They began to notice it.
Yeah, that how many gloves do you have?
And how many do you have?
I have a lot of gloves. Like, there's pink, then there is हाँ इसमें भी black है. You see gloves?
Yeah, I see the gloves.
Then
Is it like inspired by Michael Jackson or anyone like that, or it's
No,
just unintentional?
no, unintentional. I've always loved gloves.
Hmm.
मतलब it's a beautiful piece of fashion
Accessory.
accessory I feel. So मैं अभी मैं 2 दिन पहले ही डिस्कस कर रही थी किसी से. I want to start making my own gloves like
Hmm.
और अपने स्टाइल से जो भी मुझे चाहिए कैसे embellish कराना है. So I'll start doing that.
Yeah, I
now.
think
I'll
that's
design
a-
gloves and make it.
And keep it only for yourself, or you want to sell them
For now,
with
Abhi,
you?
yeah.
Mm. And
For
what
now.
else do you like in fashion? Like,
I
You're
love
a fashion head.
sunglasses.
Hmm.
I love sneakers.
mm.
I have a lot of sneakers. I love ये sneaker वाला
Sneaker
कीड़ा
head हो
मुझे
आप.
बादशाह पे से आए. बादशाह पे रफ्तार भाई दोनों sneaker heads हैं. तो ये दोनों ने surrounded में इन लोगों के बीच में ही थी तो I got that. Sneakers का मेरे को शुरू से था वैसे,
Mm.
but पैसे नहीं होते तो उतने तो फिर जैसे वैसे आया तो मैंने कहा जूते खरीदो भाई. And I love
जूते ले लो.
bags. I love bags.
Okay.
ये भी मेरा new found love है.
Mm.
Bags भी अभी last 2 years से I started buying.
How much is the most you've spent on a bag, Chalo?
5 lakh rupee.
And which bag is this?
It's a Chanel bag.
Is it like small or big?
It's a
The
small
small,
bag.
I know, I heard apparently the small ones cost more.
More, yeah.
Which
exactly.
is so
Yeah.
anticlimactic, I'd
But
say.
it's a beautiful bag. I love blue color, so it's a
Hmm.
blue bag.
Okay.
And ऐसे neon colors है उसमें.
हाँ तो 5.5 लाख
पाँच-
आपने भरा उसके लिए.
4.5 types ऐसे कुछ था, याद नहीं है.
और आपका फेवरेट जूता वाला कौन सा है? Which is your favorite sneaker?
Favorite sneaker? I love Jordan 4s.
Mm.
Like that's my favorite Jordan because they're aesthetically also like very beautiful looking and comfortable also.
Are they those high top ones?
Yeah, I mean sort of.
Mm.
आज मैंने क्या पहना? नहीं, आज मैंने Jordans डाले. But I love 4s. उसमें मेरे पास अलग अलग colorways हैं.
And how much have you spent in all on shoes?
Fuck, I can't.
सबसे ज़्यादा वाला कौन सा है?
I have a Chunky Dunkies.
Mm.
Chunky Dunks.
Okay.
जो Ben and Jerry Chunky Dunkies.
Mm.
That costed me 1.5, and then I have Off-White Sale 4 again, Jordan 4. That's again 1.5ish. ऐसे कुछ था.
So, but do you wear them or do you just keep them for show?
No, I wear them.
हाँ फिर ठीक
अब
है.
पैसा खर्च के पहना नहीं तो फिर
नहीं,
क्या
because
कर-
you know how people are ना, वो लोग
Yeah.
बोलते नहीं भाई मैंने 1.5 लाख भरा है तो अभी जाके
हाँ,
कमरे में रख देते हैं.
और आ जाएंगे.
आ जाएंगे वही तो. I feel like you should use it if you've
हाँ.
paid so much money for it. It's supposed to make your outfit look good.
फिर मजे आते हैं ना.
फिर
पैसा
वही तो
वसूल
मजा आता है.
करने का.
तो आप पैसा बनाने के बाद you spend it mainly on fashion and
Fashion, yeah. हाँ.
once you've made the money you might as well spend it.
हाँ, मतलब it's very difficult to find a good stylist who knows your style.
Yeah.
तो जब तक अपना दिमाग ना लगाओ उसमें आई थिंक वो आउटफिट निकल के नहीं आता है. एंड आई वर्कड विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्टाइलिस्ट्स एंड हार्डली आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनीवन हु अंडरस्टूड माय फैशन ऑनेस्टली. सो आई एंड अप बाइंग ओनली. आई एंड अप बाइंग शिट. लाइक मैं कहती हूँ मैं तेरे को पैसे दूंगी 25,000 30,000 मैं उसने का आउटफिट खरीद लाती यार. और कभी-कभी 10-20 हज़ार ऊपर भी लग जाता है, but ठीक है. At
You'll
least
you'll
I-
style yourself.
Yeah. I'm like self-styled only.
So now once you've started making money, substantial amounts of money, you save it, some of
Yeah.
it, and then most of it goes back into
हाँ.
your brand, your look.
हाँ. मेरे को मम्मी से बहुत डांट पड़ती है, उनको डर लगता है. जैसे कोई फॉरेन ट्रिप आता है, कहती है ये पक्का बैग लेने वाली है, कोई जूता लाने वाली है, कोई हमारा करके आएगी. और मेरा मम्मी का ना एक दिस थिंग दैट वी डू, दैट अगर हम कुछ ऐसा एक्सपेंसिव शॉपिंग करें तो हम फोन करके बोलते हैं बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई है.
तो she knows.
तो शी नोज
तो the बहुत बड़ी गलती she's expecting is
कितनी बड़ी गलती. आगे ज्यादा कितनी बड़ी हुई है.
फिर क्या बोलता
She
है?
does that when she buys gold.
Oh, but that's still at least appreciating.
That's proper गलती.
Yeah, that's a good
That's
गलती.
a good गलती.
And then you buy bags and all.
Yeah.
How did your mother react when you said कि मम्मी गलती हो गई, मैंने
हाँ.
5 लाख का बैग खरीद
बैग
लिया?
खरीद लिया.
तो what did she say?
हैं? कितने का? मैं कहा 5 लाख का खरीद लिया.
तो फिर क्या बोली?
कह रही जब मैं तेरे को बोलती हूँ कि गोल्ड ले ले गोल्ड ले ले गोल्ड ले ले, तब तुम्हारी जेबों से पैसे नहीं निकलते, तेरे पास पैसे नहीं होते. और तो 5 लाख का बैग कौन लेकर? तो थोड़ा सा कंट्रोवर्सी होता उसके घर में, लेकिन देन शी वाज लाइक डू व्हाटएवर यार, इट्स योर मनी.
आपका ही पैसा है. But what is the most random thing you spend money on?
यार आई बॉट दिस डियोर का ना, डियोर आईडी करके एक शू आता है, तो उस पर सेल लगी हुई थी यार दुबई में. आई कुड नॉट होल्ड माई सेल्फ देयर, और मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं किया. मैंने खरीद लिया उसको. मैंने कहा UK7 पैकेट नाउ. 50,000 रुपये में मैंने वो जूता ले लिया. और when I wore it, it's so heavy and it's so uncomfortable.
You never tried it?
No, and you can't wear that shoe. कहीं पे भी नहीं पहना जाए. वो ऐसे ही पड़ा है वो. बस 50,000 का जूता देखती रहती हूँ, खुश होती रहती हूँ कि कलेक्शन में एक डियोर का जूता पड़ा है.
तो बेच दो ना वो.
कहाँ बेचूं?
कुछ तो भी कर दो, ऐसा बेच दो कोई
मैं
तो भी
बेच दूंगी,
स्टॉक
मैं
एक्स
तैयार,
पे
मैं
या
खुशी
कुछ
खुशी
तो.
बेच दूंगी, लेकिन मेरे को ऐसे दूसरे बंदे पे तरस आ जाएगा कि तू
हाँ.
50,000 रुपये देके.
किसी और का चूतिया बन गया फिर.
वो भी ना नाइस पर्सन हो ना, मैं तो मेरे को ऐसे
Yeah.
दूसरे का भी नहीं काटना है.
सही है फिर.
Yeah.
लाइक यू कीप इट विथ यू ओनली.
थोड़ा रहेगा कोई नहीं.
ठीक है, ऐसे ही
Collection
50 ही तो है. 5 लाख किधर, 50,000 किधर.
But that was a stupid impulsive buy, I feel.
But I feel like being impulsive is
Is the thing.
it's good.
It's good.
You need that kick.
बहुत मेरे को
Once
तो
in a while.
जबरदस्त किक मिलती है ना जो इम्पल्सिव शिट करने की.
ऐसे ही impulsively आप अभी next projects भी डाल रहे हो कुछ?
अभी I just shot 2 days back अगला गाना. ये when you said that this
Yes.
is नजर ना लगे के लिए.
So the
I was
song
like,
is
I'm
called
like,
Nazar.
Nazar, yeah.
And it's only you or it's featuring someone?
We have a male,
Vocalist?
not vocalist,
Then?
actor in it.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Can we
क्यों
speak
बताओ?
about? अरे यार क्या आज का डेट देखो 12 है. 18 को तो आने वाला है गाना. This episode will also go out on the 19th.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, तो आप बता
और सब
सकते
तो
हो.
देखिए, Sohail Nair is featuring in this
Okay.
video, and he's a nice guy to work with. It's fun. It's a masquerade. It's a masquerade party.
Okay.
So, and I'm like, see him and it's basically love at first sight kind.
मास्क पहना हुआ.
Mask. पहले नहीं पहना था, बाद में पहना. उसने पहन लिया तो मेरे को मिल रहा नहीं है, वो ढूंढ रही हूँ मैं उसको.
Oh, okay, okay.
Where the fuck did he go? You know, where did he disappear? And then he takes it off, and then
It's like, oh
stuff
wow.
happens. And I'm just being clumsy, the clumsy fuck that I am in general in actual life.
You portrayed that as well.
Yeah, like dropping glasses and shit. So yeah, it's fun. It's
And then
fun.
any EP or any album coming out soon? Is there any project that you're working on?
Yeah, so I am planning to do an EP next year, first quarter.
Okay.
So I'm working on that right now. And then there's another song which will be releasing next month for sure. Because we're shooting it in next 20 days.
This is the one with Raftar.
No, there's another one.
Okay.
And hopefully expecting it to be a banger.
ये
like
किसके
a
साथ है?
nice,
आप
sexy
अकेले?
vibe.
This is a
अकेले, कल्ले,
solo?
कल्ले. अभी फिलहाल अकेले ही है.
Okay.
We're still contemplating if we need a featuring artist or not. I don't know. I really feel that I need to collaborate on that song with some rapper. And right now I only have Divine in my head.
Okay,
So
so you
maybe.
want like a loud vocal.
Yeah.
I understood what you're looking for.
Yeah.
A little heavier.
So I think he's like the best fit for that song. Let's see where he is
Yeah.
right now in his
Workspace.
life. Yeah, workspace.
Yeah.
So we'll speak to him. देखते हैं क्या बनता है.
And do you feel like you've managed to set your own foot now? Like you mentioned, that's the reason why
अभी है
you...
long way to go, yeah. I think I have a long way to go. एंड इस साल मैंने पूरा अभी इन द फर्स्ट हाफ आई हैव जस्ट वर्कड ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ म्यूजिक, क्योंकि अब मैं जब रिलीज करना चालू करूँगा तो आई डोंट वांट टू स्टॉप, आई डोंट वांट दिस one year break.
Correct. Because I feel right now that's what's happening
Yeah,
with you.
that's what is happening because I think I was not doing enough sessions.
Hmm.
So this year has been a lot of learning also for me.
Hmm.
क्योंकि मुझे realize हुआ कि I was actually dependent on a lot of people for a lot of work,
Okay.
which I should not have been. I know.
Hmm.
So वो थोड़ी मेरी गलती हुई है life में, and I think that it's never too late. I'm learning.
But you've rectified it now, I feel.
Yeah, I started working on a lot of music.
Hmm.
I meet people and sit in the sessions and give my own inputs. I've started writing. बीच में
Hmm.
गाने लिखती हूँ, कुछ बीट समझ में आती है, so I just record it. कुछ composition आती है तो उसको record करके रख लेती हूँ कि ये use कर सकते हैं कहीं पे, stuff like. So I have gotten myself into that practice now,
Hmm.
and I feel amazing. I think it's a beautiful feeling to explore your art even further.
Yeah.
गा सकते हैं, बहुत लोग गा सकते हैं,
Hmm.
but what's the creative input that you're putting in a song also matters a lot, and now I've started working on that. अभी इसके बाद भी I'm going for a session with Charan and
Yeah.
we're going to sit and brainstorm and ऐसे मैं सुनाती हूँ voice notes ऐसे कैसे हम लोग how we start making a song ना. I'll just
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure all the musicians out there can
Yeah, I feel it'll be
relate.
such a nice this thing for even the musicians
Yeah.
to relate and for people who are outside of the industry to realize how it works.
ऐसे ऐसे नहीं यार कहाँ गया. Oh shit. So just trying to compose shit.
You're giving them the
People
melody.
are talking. I'm
Yeah,
sitting
yeah.
with some random people and they're talking अपना और मैं अपना यहाँ पे composition कर. So that's a fun process.
Mm.
So all this we do.
Yeah. So now you're moving towards something for yourself.
Yeah. So अब वो गलतियाँ नहीं करनी. बहुत सारे गाने बना लिए मैंने. अब now I'm gonna just release them back to back.
Is there any artist in particular that you want to work with?
I really want to work with Diljit Dosanjh.
Hmm.
I really want to work with Karan Aujla, yes, for sure, 100%. And I really want to do a song with Sunidhi Chauhan. She's my idol. I've always looked up to her as a performer, as a singer, everything.
Yeah.
So definitely 100% one song with her. So that will be like a one of its kind
Yeah.
female collaboration, and I'm really looking forward to that. मैंने उनको बोला था, I met her and I was like, I really want to do a song. Yeah, sure. I was like, अरे यार. I love her.
आपको बोलना चाहिए था स्टूडियो बुक चलो अभी.
नहीं, मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपना होमवर्क करके जाऊँ उनके साथ
Yeah.
अगर बैठना है सेशन में, because
She's yeah.
she.
Yeah. I don't think we can describe it any better than
I
that.
don't have words. No words.
And then any other like composer or any, who do you actually look up to? Since like I'd say not studied. I stalked you a little to see. Your father is also like a music director,
Yeah,
right?
he's a music director. He's his flavor of music is very like folk
Hmm.
or Sufi or that kind of proper like classical.
How do you
flavor
feel
रहता है.
that inspired you to?
बचपन से वही सुना है. मतलब घर में अब जैसे हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जैम करते हैं, आई हैव बीन ब्रॉट अप लाइक दैट. घर में जैम हो रहे हैं, कोई तबलची आए हुए हैं, कोई
तो घर पे हमेशा म्यूजिक चलता ही रहता है.
हाँ,
कोई ना कोई तो भी आता था.
कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है घर पे. And I started learning piano when I was very young,
Hmm.
like 5-year-old, I think. I started learning piano and I was doing very good. But the teacher who was teaching me at that time, he was doing stuff
Hmm.
like, yeah, weird stuff. So we had to, then after that, when my parents got to know, and it was such an uncomfortable, I was very
Oh,
young,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
I was
Hmm.
8-year-old, 7-year-old.
Hmm.
And he was doing weird shit with me, and he just told me not to say anything to anyone.
Hmm.
तो वो थोड़ा uncomfortable हो गया पूरा फैमिली. उससे पहले मेरे पापा यूज्ड टू लाइक रियली चेक ऑन मी. वो जहाँ मर्जी ट्रैवल करे वो फ़ोन करके पूछते थे आज 2 घंटा प्रैक्टिस करा नहीं करा है.
Hmm.
उसके बाद उन्होंने भी छोड़ दिया फिर. ही नेवर पुश्ड मी इनटू म्यूजिक. I did not want to get into music. Like I pushed myself
Away from
away
it.
from it. And but भगवान का प्लान ही कुछ और था, and I ended up in music only.
That's beautiful. But
Yeah, that's where I left learning piano. Then I again tried when I was in 10th. I tried to learn piano again, and that teacher was he was a lovely human being. He's not anymore alive, and he was the principal of Delhi School of Music. So very nice person, and he used to call me the trouble child, and उनके साथ मैंने 2 साल सीखा, but वो dedication नहीं आ पाया यार दोबारा ना.
वो होता है या
छोड़
जो बचपन में
दिया,
था
हाँ.
वो.
So then I stopped.
Hmm.
But then I was like, मेरे को म्यूजिक में जाना ही नहीं है. Well, I've seen my dad also ना.
Yeah.
कितना struggle होता है
There is a lot.
for musicians. And उस टाइम पे तो things were not easy at
Yeah,
all. अब थोड़ा सा life फिर भी थोड़े easy हो गए life
True,
लोगों के
true,
लिए.
very true.
So I had seen him struggle. तो मेरे को था यार मेरे को चाहिए मेरे महीने के आखिरी में एंड में सैलरी आए fixed.
You wanted a stable life.
Yeah,
basically.
stable life चाहिए थी, and I started working towards it also. I started working in an ad agency. I was working in a very good ad agency.
What were you doing there?
I wanted to join as a creative this thing because मैंने सारे softwares, After Effects, Photoshop ये सब I had learned. So creatives में जाना था, but मेरी internship लगी पहले client servicing में.
Okay.
So I was like ठीक है मैं अंदर से अंदर switch कर लूँगी. But वो switch हो नहीं पा रहा था. तो मैं client servicing में फंसी रह गई, and that was not something that I wanted to do.
You didn't want to do that.
So जैसे ही मुझे म्यूज़िक की अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखी, मैंने कहा यहाँ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है, म्यूज़िक करके देख लेते हैं एक बार, let's give it a try, and it worked out pretty well for me.
No, I think everything always is destined.
Yeah.
There is something like a destiny where,
हाँ.
like you said, you didn't want to do music, but then you were
Yeah.
destined to do music, and now you're everywhere.
Exactly.
Like, yeah, it's beautiful the way things end
Yeah,
up working. I feel in the
exactly.
end of the day.
But for people out there, I just want you to be very careful with your kids. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
That is true.
ऐसा छोटा सा message है इसमें underlined.
yeah.
That be very careful with your kids, no matter boy or a girl. Like just be careful.
Yeah, no, I feel like the society we live in is not
Yeah.
pure, and it's not now, it's always been the case. Now at least it's highlighted more.
Yeah, you won't believe I've shared this with so many girls
Mm-hmm.
because I make it a point that I share it with
Yeah.
people because I don't want to be uncomfortable about something like that, you know.
Yeah.
अपने दिल में रख के ना और ज़्यादा heavy रहता है बंदा. So I shared it with a lot of girls, and literally you won't believe मैंने जिसके साथ share किया उसके साथ भी हुआ है.
They've all
किसी का
experienced it in
relative के
some
साथ,
way.
किसी के साथ. So it has become so common, and it should be talked about यार.
I know, I don't like.
बचपना ट्रॉमेटाइज हो जाता है बच्चे
हो
का
जाता
यार.
है. See, like the fact, like you mentioned, how he told you not to tell anybody.
Yeah.
He's a predator.
हाँ, मुझे
And-
पता भी नहीं था क्या कर रहा है वो.
Exactly, and at that age, you don't know what's right, what's wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
If you bring up your kids, like you have to have that communication with your child
Right.
and tell them that
Right.
okay, जो कुछ भी हो रहा है आप आके बता दो.
Right.
We'll never blame you. I feel if you put that confidence in your child, the first time itself it happens that
Yeah,
someone
yeah.
tells them don't tell at
Yeah.
home, they should have that faith to come back and tell at home and not feel like they'll be in trouble.
Exactly. अब तो good touch, bad touch सब सिखाया जा रहा है.
हाँ, अब तो सिखाया जा रहा है, which is
Yeah.
very good, I feel,
Yeah.
which is needed.
Which is much needed in our country.
Yeah.
For sure.
Especially not only our country, I feel anywhere outside also. At least it's good that over here it's being, now the education has started.
Yeah.
Now people know कि okay, we shouldn't sit quiet.
Yeah.
And it's a very bad thing for any child to
ये मैं
experience.
पहली बार बोला किसी
Yeah.
interview में. Yeah, I've never talked about it, but I think it was high time and I had to get it out.
Yeah.
People should know.
No, I think it is
Ah.
needed, and I'm very glad that you spoke about it.
Me too.
Yeah, because
आज फिर पार्टी करनी पड़ जाएगी मुझे इस बात पे. कर दिया, निकाल दिया. system
ले
से.
आओ और एक coke.
But
Yeah.
yeah.
नहीं, but I think it's a good thing for you to have
Yeah.
spoken about it.
Yes,
I hope
sir.
it makes you feel better.
Lighter. Yeah, it is
Yeah.
making me feel lighter.
No, and it's also a learning for anyone else who's watching this.
Yeah, exactly.
If they've undergone something like that, it's
Something like
better to speak about it because it helps you.
Once I shared
Open
it with one girl, and she
Mhm.
started crying. She was my age, and she started crying. She started howling.
Hmm.
मैंने कहा मैं बता रही थी अपनी story. So you were supposed to, all of you, people were supposed to sympathize with me.
Yeah.
और ये कौन है जो मेरे से ज़्यादा रो गई? But नहीं,
She also
I'm
had-
just trying to
yeah.
make it sound a little funny. It was not funny. She was
Yeah.
डिवस्टेटेड यार, मतलब उसका फैमिली में था सीन, तो
Hmm.
वो तो बहुत गंदा रोई उस दिन, बट शी वाज फीलिंग वेरी लाइट अबाउट इट आफ्टर शी स्पोक.
Yeah. I feel it's important for people to speak
Yeah.
to someone who's near them.
Yeah.
Even if they've experienced it in the past, and especially if it's someone in the family, it should at least be brought up. Even if
Brother,
it's
yeah,
late.
brother
Oh my god, that's.
sad.
Yeah.
चल
Yeah, ठीक है. Chalo, back to
back to reality.
Back to happy
Yeah.
happy things. Let's end this with this.
Yeah.
It was a very serious ending.
Yeah.
तो let's एक last segment है मेरा
100%.
जिसमें I do tarot reading.
Oh भाई साहब, I love this. मैं सही जगह आ गई boss.
तो चलो आपका टैरो अरे चश्मा भी आ गया वापस. फुल सर्कल करेंगे हम.
Okay. Seriously, you've learnt it or what?
या
ये बकचोदी है.
नहीं यार
अच्छा,
सच्ची
you've
में.
learnt it. Wow.
Yeah. बकचोदी हम नहीं करते यहाँ पर.
सही.
सब सीरियस ही होता है. And we
Awesome.
are very like serious people. ठीक है तो अभी let me move this.
This is going to be so much fun. मैं anyway अपनी मेरी एक friend है tarot reading करती है, मैं सोची तो उसको पूछूं यार क्या चल रहा
क्या
है,
यार, नहीं
अगला गाना हिट होगा कि नहीं.
होगा ना ऑफ कोर्स. तो अभी ना ये मेरे पास अराउंड 15-20 कार्ड रहेंगे. ठीक है आपको I'll just shuffle it and you just touch one card whichever one you feel. We'll do this 3 times. Don't read what the cards say now. And keep them face down. हाँ जी. I'll again shuffle so you know थोड़ा अच्छे वाले भी cards आ जाएंगे. What do you think is happening right now in your life?
What is happening in my life?
Yeah? Like how has life been? Positive?
Yeah, right now it's really positive.
Good, touch wood. So these cards always tell like what's happening or what's about to happen.
Awesome.
ठीक है?
ठीक है.
चलेगा अभी 3 कार्ड तो निकल गए हमारे. Now which card should I read for you first? Tell me. ये वाला. Okay, so it was. So this card is called the Bhoot.
Okay.
So the Bhoot card usually reads that your ex is about to show up in your life again.
damn.
So it usually says the Bhoot of your love's past may show up
Oh shit.
randomly.
Thanks for warning me, yaar.
I'm giving you a warning.
I'll prepare myself now.
You can prepare yourself now. कौन सा वाला? दूसरा वाला कौन सा वाला?
Okay, this one.
Let's go. This also is like the same card.
तो मतलब आने ही वाला है, मतलब ये तो हो ही
ये
रहा
तो
है.
वैंशोत आ ही रहा है. इस पे this card is called बिरयानी कार्ड जिसमें मतलब आपके बिरयानी में इलायची आने वाली है. समझ में आ गया आपको?
बिरयानी में इलायची आने
मतलब बिरयानी मतलब क्या सब मस्त चल रहा है.
वाली? इलायची नहीं अच्छी.
इलायची अच्छी नहीं लगती किसी को.
Oh.
तो ये दोनों कार्ड बहुत ही इंटररिलेटेड होते हैं.
Oh shit.
And every time one person gets one, they always get the other.
Really?
And it always comes true. Which
Really?
I am not even making up.
Shit, I'll call you if I get a call.
100% not done.
Done,
And
done,
even the
done.
third card, bro.
क्या बात कर रहा है? Seriously यार,
It's-
नहीं यार.
It says someone's trying to fuck with your happiness.
कौन सा वाला आएगा ये सोच रही हूँ. Oh fuck.
Bro, कुछ तो.
कमोलिका कार्ड.
Yeah, it says someone's trying to fuck with you.
Oh shit.
But I think you've been warned. अगर ये हुआ अगले 3 महीने के अंदर,
I'm calling you.
you call me and just tell me that
इसका
listen.
solution भी बताओ sir.
Solution तो you know ना. Now that you've been warned,
Yeah. Can we do more?
we can. Let's try another set.
हाँ,
A little more positive set. Let's try. ये कार्ड्स को तो बाहर ही रख लेते हैं.
something other than boyfriends. Ew.
ठीक है चलो. Let's try 3 more. That not necessarily means boyfriend.
फिर?
Like no, I mean like see the Bhoot is obviously boyfriend only.
हाँ.
But बाकी के cards also just like indicate that there is some
Negative energy around?
negative energy that will come types.
शाला रिंग चेंज करा तो जाते ही.
Recharge करना है क्या रिंग को?
हाँ, काला कूला टिक्का लगा लूंगी इस पे थोड़ा सा. ओह वाओ, गाने की प्रमोशन कर दी मैंने साथ में.
ठीक है चलो. Let's go.
या
कौन सा वाला first?
नहीं यार. शिट.
This card is called the therapist card, which means you need to
I'll need a therapy.
yeah.
What the fuck was happening in my life? Okay.
चलो next
ये
next
तभी
जल्दी
होगा अगर
जल्दी
अगला गाना सही नहीं चला.
नहीं अगला वाला man sure ये इसमें ये बोल रहा है the fuck is going on in your life.
What the fuck?
देख लो लास्ट डायपर मतलब इनकमिंग शिट इन
Potty
योर
निकलने
लाइफ
वाली है.
भाई आई एम सॉरी आई ट्राइड ट्वाइस
मैं रिंग चेंज करा के दोबारा करूंगी.
रिंग
आगे.
चेंज करा के कर दो आपने कौन से राइट हैंड से ही खींचे ना सारे कार्ड्स
ये नहीं देखा मैंने. नहीं. अब उल्टा होगा.
नहीं लेट्स होप दैट ऑल दीस कार्ड मैन शो सारे जितने भी कार्ड्स हैं
सब
जिसमें
नेगेटिव कार्ड है. यार कोई तो आ रहा है मेरी लाइफ फक करने.
कोई तो आ रहा है इसलिए आपका गाना है नजर
नजर.
देयर शुड बी नो नजर बीइंग पुट ऑन यू बट
Wow.
यस दिस इज सच अ नाइस वे टू प्रमोट योर सॉन्ग
है ना? I know, right?
you don't want any of this
Yes. If you don't want any of this, listen to my
listen to
song.
Nazar. Stream Nazar now. But thank you so much, Asta. This was a lot of fun.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Yes,
much for
indeed.
doing this.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you.